around, so I'll explain to you later.
Rachel! 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 Please! Oh boy, I need to money for you.
Omo, these are fine passes in Panaba show to the far area.
Hey, you better tell say until they live forever, no green.
Oh boy, until you get money.
Madam.
Johnson.
Hold on.
How are you?
Fine. Now your children with this?
No, they are my sister's kids. Please help them get their things from the boat.
Let's go.
What's in that man they do?
No, you're back in the car outside down food.
He's back. You see, the don't person back outside down. You know, say it's something inside.
Be like say you mad. You don't get respect. Eh? If I would you slap down, you mad?
You go watch me slide. One make I put on for your body water. Now me be acid melting. I go melt you.
I don't blame you. Because when I don't get respect, I enter here greet to my auntie. Instead of you now to open my say good morning, good afternoon.
What? As what now? Tell me. You there your big belly. They chop on my auntie fouché. You see, as we come this out, they respect yourself. See belly. See big belly. Try am.
Wait,
you go lose your job.
See, you go see say now, I be get to pikin. Make it dey hear am. I be acid, Now me be acid now.
Come out here, John. I no blame una. No, I no blame una. Because if say na for village I dey, your papa self go see me, they tell me, nah, good morning, nah, good afternoon. Now your papa go to clean my shoe. Now because say I dey here, anyway, no problem.
Where are you guys, Ebra?
Hey, Jesus.
This.
See house. This I be like heaven.
So now heaven on earth, acid. No be heaven. Heaven on earth.
Sure say not be dreaming the dream so.
No be dream. See big TV. So auntie, all these things now TV they enjoy.
Don't touch that. This way. Mind yourself. Ekaete!
She kind nonsense snail come that one. She can't come here, Kaite.
Eka!
Yes, ma'am.
Please come.
I want to see the winch. Come here.
Good afternoon, ma. I'm very well, thank you. Hello, children.
Hello.
How are you?
Wow. Welcome to our humble apartment.
Her name is Ekaete.
Eka for short, ma.
Eka.
Yeah, EKA.
EKA.
She's my maid. And she will assist you on anything you want to know in this house. How the shower and jacuzzi works, she will teach you.
What you talk?
Jacuzzi.
Did I say jacuzzi?
Yes, jacuzzi.
Okay, jacuzzi or jacuzzi. Which one?
Ekaete, please take care of her.
It's okay, ma. Okay, you people welcome. Feel at home, relax, you're safe. You understand? Okay, so carry your bag, let's go now.
Wait till I'm down, tell you.
Excuse me. You be there, Phantom. Abi, you know hear when your mother say make you assist us. So now for your mind, now you expect us make you carry this bag. Abi get cutting for here.
It be like person where don't cause you don't die because person you obvious like you resemble person they cause.
Calabar witch, shut up! Calabar witch.
Who did they tell? No be.
Hi, these children don't know waiting they in there. Me calabar winch.
No, Calabar in.
It's not like person where they cause.
Oh, they cause.
See, I don't get time for this nonsense. Oh, I don't get time for this you nonsense. You feel people don't have home training. We will train you people well in this place. Carry your bag and go inside because I get very plenty things to do. I don't have time to mess up with children that don't have respect.
You report me
You be
speed.
there, Phantom.
I slap
You
you.
report me speed.
You
You know see what they tell you. If you talk anything now, go put them for your body notoriously now.
She
Make
not
you dey
ready.
get
She not
and
ready.
clear.
She not ready.
Okay, you are still here.
No.
It's no problem. It's fine. That's my work. I'm paid to do this job. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up and take yourself to your room. Let's go.
Don't drag me out.
What?
Ladies first, so they hear English. Ladies
Oh,
first.
you be ladies.
No, ladies.
All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Oh, ho, ho, oh, oh, oh. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah,
Them do you?
come I give you one shot, make you carry whole body.
I beg wait day too like okokoro. Every time akbang, akbang, akbang. If you don't drink akbang, you dey drink okokoro. You don't you get that jar. Besides, I don't even want to drink. I don't want to drink because Madam Dede. I know that Madam knows it. They like duck nose. Everything she dey perceive. I beg I don't want stress, so let am not come and perceive that thing in my mouth and call me name. I beg.
Who be those children when madam carry come back? Aye.
Yeah, exactly the reason I came here. Who be those kind children? Serve them day. Where them come from? Who are they? Does the other one carry something cover for face saying him name na bandana? Your other one say acid. Who you want for acid? Eh?
She madam talk say na him sister her children.
Which his sisters? Which of his sisters? Because madam sisters, I know them very. You see, madam. You see, madam. I don't know, madam. Titi for ketos. I mean that time. If you see her, madam, bindi, war. Even madam, mama, Zev, na street. Then they call her Adria mama. No, so the old man go work out. Who did it? They call her. Madam, all of them for the house now.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Where were you?
I didn't go anywhere, sir.
I've warned you never to leave your duty post.
Okay, not go anywhere. I did toilet. I don't come out.
Get what's in the back seat.
Okay, sir.
The other side.
Okay, sir.
Johnson,
Sir?
come here.
Sir?
Come closer. Come closer.
Sir?
How many times have I warned you not to take alcohol on duty?
Oh, cannot be what you think. Oh. No, I didn't take alcohol. Now, herbal mixture. You know this herbal medicine where they mix with this thing. It cure malaria, typhoid, jadi. Even if you get your bone break, you drink it, you go straight the bone. Okay, if you drink it, you go like it go help you stand gidigba. No be alcohol, sir. Na herbal medicine. Sorry, sir.
Johnson.
Sir.
Johnson.
Sir, na herbal medicine.
Let me have the nylon.
Person no go allow person drink small something. Eh? Every time you go to show yourself.
I say I need, they talk another thing. Oh yeah, last card. I said I need the same thing I need. Cheerma. Boss. Who dey?
Boss man.
So.
Oh, so I just sound only now. Oh, boss man.
Who dey?
You are daddy of the whole town. How you feel now? You perfume.
What are your names?
Name, Avam. Melting. They melt everything. So I melt all the. I am here by Kunku.
My name na Bandana, Queen of Beauty. Asanwa, you dey see beauty soon. Na me be Miss World, oh, na me.
Hey, honey. I can see you're getting acquainted with them.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How was your day?
It was okay.
Okay. Pick the what to your room.
Boss, what you buy for us now? Your boys they hungry.
With the H.
Okay. This is for you.
Boss. Who dey?
I be our boss. And I'll be she call me find out.
You didn't tell me they're here already.
When I called you twice, you did not pick the call. So I assumed you were driving and I left you. So, how was your day?
My day was okay. They shouldn't be playing cards in the sitting room.
Oh, babes, I'm sorry. I know you don't like the attitude, but don't worry. I'll change them very soon. And I've called the agency. They promised to give me the best of their teachers.
Okay, that's good because from what I see, they really need to be trained. So what are we having for dinner?
Guess. My suya that I asked to buy, what is it?
I did, but I gave it to them.
I don't understand what you mean by you gave it to them. I'm talking about the suya I asked you to buy for me.
Babe, they took me by surprise. And I don't want to disappoint them. You know they are kids, and you know how kids behave when daddy comes back home empty-handed. Babe, come now, I'll get you another one. Baby. Babe, I'll get you another one. Baby, don't tell me you're still angry because you finished the suya. You should have been over it by now.
I don't understand what you mean by that. Why would you even carry my suya and give to them? You know how much I love to eat suya every Friday. Why would you do that?
So that's why you didn't join me at the dining. Okay, fine. Let me dress up and go buy you suya. Yes, no.
No, don't bother. You just stay back.
I'll just rush down to Benjamin's bar and get the suya. I'll get back with you.
Coming from you. The moment you step out of this house now, and maybe find your way to Benjamin's shop, it's over for me. My love, please, lie down. It's over. Suya should go.
So are you okay now?
I'm fine.
You're sure? All right. If you say so. Aya, come here. Why did you carry out the pillow?
Sorry. Then I was angry.
So you're not angry now? I love you. You think about it. I said I love you.
And I said I'll think about it.
How long are you going to think about it?
No business.
Yes, I'm on my way already. Okay. Tell the marketing manager to fix a meeting with the team. I want to speak with them personally. Okay. Don't worry, I'll be there in the next 20 minutes. Alright. Johnson?
Okay.
Are you still washing the car?
No, okay, don't finish. Now, detailing I they do. You know, say when Baba have finished, we just they do small detailing.
Don't worry, I'm in a hurry.
Okay.
I'll manage it like that, okay? Open the gate.
Okay, sir.
Slow down. Hey. Mama, we don't reach. We never reach. Take it easy. Go like this.
Now since I dey go like this, we know they reach.
Huh? Are you enemy of progress? Eh?
Me na my money.
Wait. Stop. Woo.
Wait.
Off your car, Biko. I'm waiting.
We don't reach with that.
I want to observe now.
Hey! Madam, you don't keep me for long. Say you want to observe waiting. Waiting they observe.
This is heaven on earth. Looking at the car, Biko.
The house please.
No be the house.
Every minute off your car. I don't tire.
Be careful. Don't disturb me.
You dey come down again. Time no deal.
My son will pay you. Do you have money?
Since morning, since 5 a.m. I will come up.
Father, I come to this place. Whoa. Hi. Money talks. Ego nego. Power. Up you. Hey. My boy, you break my glass. Stop harassing me. This is your nonsense car. Is this car? Go on, motor. I said, my motor. Start the car, let's go, Biko.
Come carry pot, keep for front of car. Come carry pot, keep here.
This is heaven on earth. Woo! Now allow my boat to follow. I don't know what you're driving. Be careful, oh. Move.
I can reach me, don't pay my money first.
My son will pay you. Do you have money? You don't have money.
Who you be? This guy. Who you be? Who you be? Now you dey knock for person. You dey knock. I dey ask who you be. Just keep quiet. Dey enter.
I'm sorry.
You dey talk sorry. You dey enter. Stand here, abeg.
Sorry. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Who you be? You dey knock like say na me and you get compound. Now wetin?
Sorry. My name is Dorothy. I'm a private teacher.
Who is that?
Madam, you say na teacher.
Don't worry. Please come in. They are ready.
Good day, ma. Thank you.
Welcome.
When we go school, our teachers know them like this. So.
I don't even understand what's in this time.
This one, where this teacher, they punish more upon the teach person.
That one is never my problem. What is this one?
Come in.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Hello.
They are ready.
Okay. Hello.
So I'll leave you to go. She said hello.
Hi.
You did.
I'll let you continue with them. I was actually busy upstairs before I heard your voice outside.
All right, ma, I'll handle it. Okay. So, we're going to start, but before we do that, I would like us to have a little exercise. Breathe in. Okay, fine. We'll start with simple arithmetics.
You say, are it waiting?
Arithmetics.
Banana, you dey hear wetin this man dey talk?
Arithmetic. Wetin tell me be say I don't remember when I tell aunty say I won't be nurse or doctor. Do you know this kind of teaching dey tire person? Shey you know?
Okay. I don't know how else to say it. But what I mean is mathematics.
Hey,
Like 1 + 1.
hey. So all these arity just for mathematics. Instead of you to talk it maths or mathematics, you are saying arity. I don't see am say no be person wey no book at all, but you wan come do teaching work. Wetin be arity now? Arity.
Can you read?
Which kind jam question come be that one? I be the work for jam office. Common question wey be say pikin wey dey born na go fit even tell you am. Now you come dey ask.
Okay, so 1 + 1.
1 + 1, 1.
1 + 1 is 1. Who taught you that?
If you move that plus, move that equals to, abi equal to. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1.
Oh yeah, 1 + 1. If you comot plus, wetin e be?
1, 1, 1.
Okay, sorry. Can you read?
I can read now.
Like you dey use us play for this place o. Dey respect yourself.
They ask me say I sabi read.
So now for your mind, if you wan teach person, you go do like this. Can you read? Arithmetics, medicine, this. Na so dem dey teach person.
Okechi, gamma. Baby, I no go lie, I say gamma. Now you want, now you be my designer. Okechi, gamma, say. Everywhere I go, you go gamma. How do you think that's that? Okechi, azaye. Everywhere I go, you go gamma. Girl, I no go lie, now you, I love, now you, my one, now you, I want, no. Okay, G. Okay, the boy didn't sing G, Joma say. I go Joma. Girl, I wanna you, no lie, na you, I wanna no. Oh, G. Wait, you get one style, what you do? Oh Gigi, oh wait. Oh Gigi, Jama. Oh Gigi, Jama. I don't go lie now you, I want. Oh Gigi, Jama. Yeah, everywhere you Jama, everywhere you liar. Jama, who they sing that? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, now what now?
What in your own? You say like a problem. I did yesterday. You just they look yourself for mirror. They dance.
Are you a kill yoy? Listen, this side man, you just come tap me for park now. Relax yourself.
No be mental person. They look himself for mirror. They dance.
Put your ear and hear what I'm hearing. The children are singing a melodic song. You hear?
Which one a melodic song? No be multiplication table they sing.
Multiplication table.
Wait.
They not put table deal. Okay? Listen.
2 times 1, 2.
Yes.
2 times 2, 4.
You know ye?
2 times 3, 8.
You know ye? 2 times 4, 6.
Huh?
2 times 4, 7.
You decrease. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. Listen now.
2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4,
6.
2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 11, 22. 2 times 12, 24. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3 times 5. 3 times 6. 3 times 7. 3 times 6.
2 times 24, 37. That's the talk now. Stop now.
You say you don't go school at all.
Me, you know me? 2 times 3, 7. 2 times 8, 12. 2 times 11, 32. Like that. It's the thing you're sweet.
Never well done. Why are you shouting? Eh? My son will pay. Do you have money? Do you know who I am?
Touch me now. Nah, you won't break my hand.
Sorry,
that's
now.
not what I show you
See,
now.
see how it's supposed to be. Come. Oh, yeah.
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you.
Don't follow.
Hold me now. Stop this thing. I thought you say you are old school. You know how to do this thing.
When did they do that old school? Girls, slim.
You don't say it's okay. Let's do this new school. Follow me. Wait. Okay, you know the year? You know the year what?
Hear what it?
There is somebody at the gate knocking.
No be here.
Okay, calm down. Listen to your environment. That's the problem I have. Pay attention to your environment. There is somebody knocking on the gate. Go and check.
I don't hear the person who, concern me. See, Oga don't go work. Madam there for house. You know concern me. You there here with me. Any person where they knock, if the person not finish, you go.
You see, this is the thing I don't like. I don't like it. I like a man who knows how to concentrate. Focus on your work.
I'm concentrating. I'm focusing on you.
No. Okay, concentrate on your gate. I'm saying that there's somebody at the gate. Go and attend to them. You're a security man. Go to the gate and do your work.
I no be security man. I be gate man. My work now to open gate for Oga and Madam. And the Oga don't do office. Madam there for house. You know concern me. Make we continue.
Okay, pay shift. I'm telling you that somebody is at the gate, knocking at the gate. You are supposed to move there. Exactly. Immediately and call there and come and check. You are just carried away. Small opportunity person gives to you now. You want to override. You want to ride. Go and check somebody at the gate.
Who be this mugu where they spoil things for person? Now who be that now? Now who?
Come on, open this door.
Who do? Hey, Mama.
Are you stupid?
No.
What is no? You
Sorry.
kept me under the sun. I've been knocking here. In Apala.
I don't know, say that I did toilet.
Why won't you be in the toilet? Because the only thing you know is to eat and eat. Look at your stomach.
Sorry, man.
Come on, my parents also. Open the gate.
You don't enter compound now.
I say open the gate. Open the gate, let my driver come in.
Oh, sorry, man.
No promise. Hold that one. You must start the car. Slow. Start. Okay. Follow me. Follow my driver. Straight. Let's go. Come this way. Keep coming. Come. More. Dear. Give me my purse. My friend, are you stupid?
No, man.
Come here and collect this pot, Biko. On them.
Yes, man.
Fast. Offer everything.
No. Madam, my money, I beg. Pay me my money first.
What's again?
My money.
My friend, shut up. Do you know where you are? In my brain, no. By the way, how much is your money?
80,000. 80K. And my money.
Hey! 80K. You're a thief. What did I hear you say?
80,000. And my money.
80K.
Since morning, now we drive from village. Reach. See time. We buy 1.5 tank, me and you. Maybe me and you buy them.
That is why I should pay you 80,000.
Yes, you say your son get money.
Park your car for me now. How much does this your car worth?
Madam, pay my money first.
How much does your car worth? Or simply pay me my money?
Pay my money.
80,000 naira. Onyori. Because you know there is money in this house. My son has money. You're a thief. Onyori. You're a thief.
Pay my money. I don't want problem. Time don't go. I want to go.
80,000 naira for this mama tintin. What is this thing? Mama, 80,000 naira.
You are here. You didn't tell us you were coming. And Mama, who owns all those things? What's this?
Wait a minute. I didn't tell you that I'm coming. So I'm supposed to take permission from you before I visit my son.
Mama, that is not what I'm trying to say. I'm saying if you had told me, I would have prepared something special for you to eat when you come. And Mama, please, you don't need all these things you came here with. What are these akbakala tingum you came here with?
Jesus. Did I hear you say akbakala tingum?
Akbakala tingum?
Exactly. She said akbakala tingum.
What did you say?
Mama, I'm trying to say that all these things you came here with, the pots, we have all these things here. You don't need them. And what with the plenty boxes? Are you coming to live here?
And you call them Apakalatingo.
Well, that's what they are. Apocalypse, they're too much.
And you too.
Ma, you say...
My lord, Apakalatingo. You come back.
Madam, time they go. Look at time. I'm paying my money where they go.
Don't worry. Relax. How much is it?
80,000 naira, 80K.
I don't understand. 80,000 naira.
Madam, you don't know wetin this woman do. Now so they stop for every junction when we reach. She won't see this house, she won't see that house. We reach one shop like this, she go price clothes which she no fit buy. She want to cost the people where they. I tell her, say, madam, my money they increase. She tell me, say, my son get money, my son get money. But she pay me my money.
It's okay. I understand. Please, let me give you 50,000 naira.
I say, you cannot pay him 50,000 naira. Go to blow. For what?
Mama, this is your mess. Why didn't you just carry the things you have to the motor park in the market square to come to the city? Why did you have to hire a taxi?
Shut up, my friend. You just insulted me. Me? Enter a bus. For what?
Please call your details for me.
20,000 naira.
81 25 22 1288. Money point.
So this is how you squander my son's money. You want to transfer 50,000 naira? Hey.
Madam, yes, please. The kids are hungry.
Oh, I'll be there soon.
And who is this one?
She's the teacher I brought in to tutor my nephew and my niece. I sent it.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to talk to you later, Make sure it's 20,000 naira.
I sent it. Thank you.
How much did you send?
50,000, Mama. 50,000.
This is how you squander my son's money.
I don't understand.
Open that gate,
Village
man.
market square. Why didn't you just pick it? What's with the taxi?
Why would I enter bus when my son is a rich man? Why?
Okay, I've paid 50,000, Mama. Johnson, come and pick this back. Please shut your door. Shut your door. Why not?
Madam, I don't like what you do. You call your son house, you don't tell her.
Come on, Zuzu, out of here. Get out of my son's house. Get out. You don't need to come out. What nonsense? What nonsense, Anna? Get out!
Yo, bro, you guys are seriously packing money in this state. And you're doing well for yourself. That reminds me, how far with the community contract? I hope the commissioner is responding positively.
That's all you people think of. Contract. If I tell you what we're seeing in this business, bro, you go pity us, honestly.
Forget that thing. That's what you say all the time.
It's not the way you guys think. Whoa, my wife is calling me. Hello, babe. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'll be on my way now. All right, please calm down, okay? I have to go home. My mom is around.
I hope everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is fine. You know my mom. She can be very difficult. My wife is already in panic.
Oh my goodness, women. This is why I refuse to get married. No way.
Bro, you need to get yourself a wife so you can have peace of mind. All right?
Listen to yourself. Coming from a man who is running home to wage a fight.
I'll see you later.
All right.
So good.
Take care.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, this young man. Juliet. Juliet.
Sir.
Come and get clear this table. And serve those customers there.
All right, sir.
Now what did I talk about?
I beg, just spare yourself, I beg. Not in the mood, I repeat, not in the mood, I beg. Just collect this, let me get out of here.
I don't understand you. Which time say they bring food for me, they spoil face. Now me do you. What did happen?
Waiting they happen, waiting no go happen. Waiting no go happen. Because you, anytime you just see food, you get your happiness.
Why no go happy?
Why you go happy? If you dey inside, see what I'm going through. I'm going through devastations. I'm going through frustration.
Waiting
You see a woman now? Person will go ahead, serve her, waste your energy, cook food, serve the woman. She went ahead to tell me that the food I serve her is very salty. After that one, madam now said, okay, if she said the food is salty, I should went ahead and make noodles. I went there, carry my strength, my muscle, my everything. Went there to cook the noodles. And when she chopped the noodles, she tell me it's tasteless. Rubbish and concombilities.
Now why you can't spoil face?
Just now.
So what do you gonna do this plate where you carry?
Madam was like, okay, since mama says she's not going to eat the food, I should carry and come and keep it. That's why I'm here.
Wait the noodles where they reject, now what do they bring on give me? As dog where I be?
You see I read meaning to that one that way. Because you are a consumer. See Jabele now. See Jabele. You are a consumer drum. Look at you, a drum. We reacted for the interzone.
I know the chop, say my belly, you see this belly is smooth. I know the chop rejected food, I know be dog. You see that yesterday soup, it better make you just carry this one. If not, our neighbor dog just throw away and for fence give them. Go give yesterday's soup, give me.
Understand. You don't arrive now. You don't deform. When Uncle catch you, you will call me later. I'm not in
Eka.
No, you because I know you very well because you are forming now.
I know the form, Eka.
Since you have refused to give birth to a child, let me be nursing this teddy bears. I don't have any other option but to nurse these teddy bears. I never knew my son got married to his fellow man. It's been 2 good years now, almost 2 years though, and you're yet to conceive. Not to talk of hearing the cry of a baby in this house. And why are you looking at me?
My eyes there for that teddy bear there because I know say old mama like you know supposed to dey carry teddy bear because you don't old pass that one now.
Shut up. If I twist that your mouth, I don't blame you. By the way, who brought both of you into this house, safe? In Emepon. Like aunt, like niece. Eh? Look at your auntie. Her name is Rachel. The same Rachel in the Bible. And you, what is your name?
Bandana.
Bandana. Anyway, I never expected anything better. Why won't you answer Bandana? Eh? It runs in your blood. Uselessness runs in your blood. That is why you can comfortably, a small girl like you, Bandana. What is Bandana? Does this sound like a name of someone that comes from a good background? Bandana. Come, both of you get out of here and stop looking at me. Mama, why are you treating me like this? Why exactly are you doing what you're doing? Why? What did I do? So you still have mouth to talk? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I am like this. Eh? You knew exactly what you did. Eh? You came to destroy my son's life, but you have failed. You knew you were not fruitful, yet you came into my son's life.
Food where they reject, I no go chop am.
Okay, now you are not a related stone. You are not a related
stone. Come back. Can I go to where give our neighbor? Go bring yesterday's soup. Eka.
Johnson.
This Eka the craze. That get the craze. Might check whether egg did in the myself.
For your information, you're just half wife, okay, ma? You did only traditional marriage. You did not do wedding. So you're not fully married. Bear that in mind.
It's not nice at all. I'm not nice. Hey, baby.
What's wrong?
Okay. What happened?
Mom, what did you say to her?
Really? You couldn't even greet me. And you're busy asking me what did I do to her. Ikenna. Anyway, as you can see, she's shedding crocodile tears. Ikenna, let me ask you. When are you going to give me a grandchild? When?
Mom, I've told you this before. Leave us alone. We're handling it.
Did I hear you right? I should leave you alone. No. This is not my son, Ikenna. Something is wrong somewhere.
Mom. I'm sorry. That's not what I mean. What I meant is we are timing everything. We're not in a hurry. Just go upstairs.
This one I confirm wahala.
Me, I know say she be wahala. The time when she dey squeeze her face, carry all her whole car dey enter this house.
See as wey be say I don reason say we go enjoy for this house. This one come carry him main problem, main wahala enter. This man suppose wait make we go for the woman will come. This one na better bad market o.
Wait, wetin you talk? I see that thing wey you talk, no talk am again now. As you see me, say I no wan leave this street o. I no wan leave this house. Make I go back to where? Fuji Street.
I been don reason that in that Matthias before. But as this man enter, I no get joy at all.
That one no be my concern. Hold am for yourself. No be my concern. My own be say I go chance say I no get basket for rotten mangoes.
Abi, we go tell am say na we dey run things. Na we dey run, we go run am better street. See, me, na me be acid melting. I go melt am. Come on, skate. I go melt am. Wetin dey inside that big bag wey she dey carry up and down.
Me, I no know. The only thing wey I know be say all of them get belly and they big.
Good. Go. I go look all of them like balloon. You go see, I go look all of them like balloon. I go know wetin dey inside that bag. With that one, they carry up and down, they waka cool down. You go see am.
Trust you now.
For time now. Go see am.
But my own be say that Calabar witch. Abeg, be careful of that one. Wey she do pian like Ogeku. Cause as I don't see am, so I don't target am. She won't put sand for our garri. Abeg. And no, you say anything for her.
We go do am. We go run away.
Mom, she's not squandering my money. Rachel is a hardworking girl.
Hardworking girl. Hardworking indeed. So tell me, what does she do for a living?
She's a business consultant and she owns an advert agent.
Really? Then why is she always at home pressing phone and laptop?
No matter her phone you see is her office. I mean, she works from home. We're in a digital world. She can actually work from home for a decade. Yes, now.
Okay. Let me believe you. My son. From now, I'll be the one preparing your food. Yes, you heard me. This Calabar girl cannot be the one preparing your food when you have a wife. And I mean,
Mama, it won't be necessary. We pay quite a huge amount of money to do that for us. Besides, how long are you going to continue doing that when you often come and go?
Don't worry about me. No matter how long it will take. I just came now, and I'm not in a haste. This is my son's house. Listen, I came fully prepared to give you different delicacies. It's about frozen food or all this microwave nonsense. I am here for good. I don't like this starvation. Look at your stomach looking so flat. Why your gate man's own is just badly protruded? Finishing all the food in this house. Look at give one flat. I don't understand. Is this slave queen or slave man?
Mama, this stomach is not flat though. Should I remove my shirt so you see it?
Don't remove it, but I'm here to feed you. You're my son, my only son.
Oh
I must take care of you. I'm your mother. Okay, no.
Mama, please leave me alone. I beg you. Babe, what is it?
Why would you ask me that? Like you don't know what it is.
Listen, if it's about my mom, snubbing me is not the right thing to do.
Tell me, what is the right thing to do? No, babes, what is the right thing to do? Do you know how I felt when she was using that daddy to mock me? Do you know? Now she has come to live in my house. How am I going to cope when you know the kind of job I do? How will I cope? How?
Babe, you just have to take it easy. You're talking about my mom here. And I know she doesn't bite.
Maybe she doesn't bite, but her words are too much. They're worse than bite. What? Baby, listen. You know the kind of job I do. I cannot cope with her nuisance in this house. I cannot cope with it. I need an office where I can be working. Listen, the guy is here. She can do all the house chores. Let me go and do my job in peace. I cannot be here with your mother.
Babe, you're taking this thing too far.
Ikena, when are we going to have our white wedding?
Why are you bringing this up now? I thought you just talked about your work.
Don't bother me, yo. Anything I want to say, just answer me. Answer me. When are we going to have our white wedding? Because your mother is beginning to choke me with the question. She's telling me every day that my marriage is not legal. When are we going to have our white wedding? I want to know.
Whatever, we gonna be together.
What are you doing?
I'm making breakfast.
Please leave. I don't want to hear. I want to prepare breakfast for my son. Get out.
I'm making breakfast.
Come back here.
Ma?
What did you say?
I said making breakfast.
You. That thing you're looking for, I'll give it to you. Get out! Come back here! I need to put something straight. What is your duty in this house?
Ma, my duty here is to cook for my oka and my madam. That's what, and to clean everywhere.
Now listen. That's your oga that employed you. Are you aware that I'm his mother?
Just Mama, wait.
Are you aware that he's my only son?
I'm always.
Good. When next I'm talking to you, eh? Let it ring in your brain that your gas mother is talking to you.
Yes, ma. Banam, ring in my brain.
Get out! Come back! I think I need your help. Mwa. Hurry to my room. Go and give me the mortar and the pestle.
And what? Mortar and what? I say mortar and what? I didn't hear you well.
Mortar and your head. Come on, get back! Get me mortar and pestle. Or send me. I say mortar and pestle. Say mortar and pestle. And I provide right. I say newborn baby. Yes, baby.
What's up?
Ah, you're ready.
Yeah.
Eka, Eka!
Yes, ma'am.
Why have you not said breakfast to my husband?
Ma, exactly what I was going to do. So your mother-in-law, that's your husband, mother, now tell me that I should take my hands off that place. In fact, I should get out of there, that she want to make soup.
Soup?
Jesus, that's what
What happened to the food timetable in the kitchen?
Exactly what I was telling her breakfast timetable day. Like, let me follow it. She was like, no, attend to me exactly as I want. What am I going to do? Why be?
Sweetheart,
Yes, my love.
don't worry, I'll grab something on my way, okay?
Okay. Oh. Mama, good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
No. How are you?
I'm okay.
Biko, you're ready for work?
Yeah.
Hey. Biko, why not exercise little patient? Oh? The food will soon be ready.
Mom.
Okay,
Also, hurry.
Mom, you don't have to pound in this house. We have blender in the kitchen.
Which blender? Eh? Which blender? That is what they've been feeding you with. Eh? You don't know that any food grounded in blender tastes differently. Eh? I will even lose nutrient. You need to use mortar to pound whatever it is you want to use for your food so you can retain the nutrient. Eh?
Mom, I don't know why you're stressing yourself unnecessarily. Why do you have to make another soup when we have soups in the refrigerator?
Have you seen the problem? Refrigerator. Eh? From there to microwave. Okay? Of what benefit is it to the body? Nothing. Listen, I am here. You will enjoy good food. Well made, homemade. Emma can say, Biko, just 5 minutes. I'm out. Oh, now.
I'm late already, please. I can't wait.
Are you rejecting my food?
Mom, I'm not rejecting your food. There is a food timetable in this house. Everything has procedures. Like, for example, now this morning I'm supposed to have bread, oatmeal, and omelette for breakfast.
Just listen to yourself. Bread, oatmeal, and omelette. That's why your stomach is flat. And you're not even bothered. You're not worried.
Mama, I am bothered. And that's why I've given orders. And you refuse to let her do her work.
You know the workers and lepus all in there. Eh? You know the nonsense all in there. Eh? Your husband will go to work eating omelette, oatmeal, and nonsense. Where will the strength come from? Eh? When he leaves, then the gate man will take over. Finish any whole food in this house with big pot belly. And even yourself, look at you.
Eka,
Sigh.
my love. Eka, now wait.
Oh, God. I don't suffer. In fact, I am provoked. I am paranoid. I am perplexed. I am fixed. I am this. God, this is not nice. Not funny, even nice. Not happy.
You not happy? When I day here, you not happy?
It's not a matter of you touch me right now because the more you touch me, my temperature will rise. I'm not happy. Look at that woman in the house. Ever since she came here, she's been stressing me. She have taken out every single happiness that I get. In fact, there is no joy in this place anymore. That woman have been ordering me around. Go there, run here, do this, do that. In fact, I've changed from a maid to a rankeo. That woman don't send me occasion like I'm charged. This is not fair.
Wow. I'm happy say I don't even follow under them for the house.
What do you say?
No,
just repeat after yourself. What did you say?
No be wetin you
No,
hear.
I say repeat after
See
yourself. What do you say?
See wetin I talk. Wetin I talk be say, if that place dey hot, you fit come this side, make I help you cool body.
You're not a nice person. For a moment, I thought you are somebody that is caring. You are not a nice person. Look at you, a guy that I'm dating. Somebody I'm in love with. I came to you to tell you how I feel instead of you to put me together and support me morally, spiritually, and otherwise. But you are here making me feel so down cows and never delays. That is very bad.
No be wetin you don't misunderstand me.
No problem. Go ahead. No, it's fine.
Wait
No, it's fine.
You don't misunderstand me.
No, go ahead. Somebody's there noggin. It's fine. Go ahead.
Eka.
No, don't perform me.
Eka.
Come on.
Who be that? Teacher.
Hi.
Good
afternoon, sir.
Teacher. You get the kind of fine where you come find today.
Thank you.
Now walk you come abi you won't go party.
Madam sent for me. I came to work.
Now wow. Teacher, sit down.
Thank you.
Oh, you fine well. Sit down, teacher. Hey. Hey. Eka, come. You know see teacher. Greet him. Say good afternoon.
I should say what?
Say good afternoon, ma. My teacher.
Tija.
Hi.
Tija.
Well done. Teacher, you said that madam, ba? Eka, go into the house quickly. Tell madam say teacher they here to see him. Make sure they come.
Okay, that I should go into the house and tell madam that Tija is here.
Yes. They run.
Okay, so it's me that you're sending message. Iran kill.
Eka,
It's fine. No problem. I hear you. You don't need to repeat yourself after yourself. You get? It's fine.
Hurry up. Teacher. Hey. I hope you're very comfortable.
Okay.
Hey.
Thank you.
Hey, you know say if say when I go school, say our teachers there like this, I swear I for be professor now.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you know say that time you go school, you go see teachers with their face go there like this. To learn book go they fear you. But now see as you there, anything where they ask, I for the go even Saturday I go school.
That's good to hear.
Hey, you know say as it be now, I for like they do private lesson. You feed the teacher dot.
Actually, I'm a private teacher.
Yes,
it depends on what you want.
What thing I want plenty.
Ujunwa. Gabriel. Get up. Take your badge off. Your teacher is here. Gabriel. Get up. Madam, if I get to you there, come on, get up there. Ujunwa.
Every day that shower will come. No go real person make a rest.
Shut your mouth. All you know how to do is to eat and sleep. Chop and sleep, that you sabi do. You know what they use for. Get up. Stand up.
Auntie, no, my own no dey waste time now.
Madam, if I meet you there, you don't go like her. Come on, go to the bathroom. If you should get ready, go downstairs and for your lecture. Later, Ekaike will make something for you two to eat. And they come out.
They carry mama come out.
No, sir. I know they carry mama come out. Mama the house.
No, man, now, I want to dey for body. Now you come out now. Come dey look for our trouble.
Oh, bandana. Bless I no go parlor today.
To tell you, me I dey go, cause as I did now, I dey age. I wan chop abeg. Wait, let me enter bathroom first, cause you dey waste time for bathroom.
What can you do now? Now you come. Udu, ngwa.
Eka,
Yes.
please, could you help me call the children?
You sure?
It's 9:30. I'm supposed to.
Are you stupid?
Ma, say I should call the children.
Shut up. I told you to stand here until I'm done.
But, Ma, I have been here for 1 hour. And I need to teach them English. My time is counting. It's 9:30. They need to be here for me to teach them.
So how is that my business? Eh?
Sorry, Ma.
Talk.
Mani.
Hold on. The stock is intact.
Please, Ma, can she just...
You say I should help her.
Forgive!
Ma, please, it's 9:30. Can she just help me?
You're not Paula. Don't know what they call table manners.
But I need to teach them.
Come. Go. Drop the juice here. Come back. Put this one on top here. Then cover the food for me. I'm not done yet too.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Okay. Cover this one. Put this one there. Cover it up. Fine plate. Cover it. Bring down one because grab the ass. Excuse me for now. You can go. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
Okay, I had to tell her to leave so I can attend to you. If not, I'll finish my food before I listen to you. So, what is your name?
My name is Dorothy.
Dorothy?
Yes, Ma.
Whoa! Perfect name. Your name is exactly your divine name. This is the name you're supposed to be on earth. Anything aside is Boero. Perfect fitting. The selection is very, very on point. Hi! Everything in you, everything about you, physically like this, is full option.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Odigo. Because let me ask you, I don't know. Don't be offended. Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
You're not married?
No.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh, really? Everything working out for good. Now get ready, because you marry soon. I know. I can see the shock on your face. Don't be surprised, okay? Trust me. The way I'm seeing you, I don't need any seer to tell me that you were born twins. Single baby. Yeah, for twins. Hey, Amalita. Biko, has my son seen you?
No.
You've not met with him?
Not at all, I've not.
Okay, please do me this favor. When you see my son, just take a look at him. Scan him for me, oh? If he's your dream man, don't say anything. When next you come, just tell me. Let me finish the rest, oh? No. You don't need to think about it. Just watch. When you see him, tell me if he's your dream man. Allow me to finish the rest, oh? It's okay, I understand. Hey, Chikunekekwa. Ooh.
Hold on. Wait a minute. You mean that woman walked into your house and took over everything? Including your own kitchen?
Enke, she didn't even walk in. She packed it. And you know, this is not the first time this woman is doing this. And each time she comes, it speaks volume. Just yesterday, this woman mocked me with a teddy bear. That since I do not want to give her grandchildren.
You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful on how you do things in that house. That woman is up to something. And in no distant time, she might have her way.
No, she cannot. You know you don't know me. That woman cannot do anything. She might try hard at this time, but you see, I'm very confident that she will put to shame. She will never do anything to me.
Rachel, listen, I think it's time you see a doctor. It's almost 2 years now, and you ought to be pregnant by now.
And you think I've not done that? You think I've not tried talking to my husband? Well, girlfriend, let me boast you with me. I have said that countless times, but Ikenna will not listen to me. He keeps saying that we did thorough tests. We ran everything we need to do before our traditional marriage. He doesn't want to listen to me.
Well, he might be right anyways. I don't know what else to say. I am confused. I don't know what else to say. I'm sorry, the mother is just seeing things differently. I feel for you, girl. Honestly, I do.
Yeah. What are you two doing here? When your teacher is waiting for you.
Nah, madam, never shall. Go take and make you prepare something for her. Move for Bele.
It's a game. That I should go and tell Eka. You don't have respect. You must be very stupid. I don't blame you. It's only food you know how to eat in this house. What nonsense. Now listen, both of you. No food for you until you're done with your lesson. I don't even know what you're doing in my son's house.
You said, what can you come to this house? I won't maybe swear for you.
I don't know. See, madam, like I tell you, here na your son's house. No be saying I even be the house. See, madam, go village, go your husband's house, go stay. Here na your son's house, sir.
What are you doing there?
Madam,
Go after them!
Huh?
Catch them for me!
They begin them. Madam!
Where are you?
I don't see them for backyard.
You're a fool.
Wait.
Throw them up and back them.
You don't come outside?
Yes!
Where they want to go now? Madam, what did they push them?
Catch them for you, not asking me. Catch them! Where are they?
Madam, I don't know reach junction. I don't see those speaking. I don't know whether I disappear, they disappear.
Eh? You are absolutely useless.
Madam,
Eh? So you cannot catch ordinary children.
this speaking will not be ordinary. I don't know whether I disappear, they
You
disappear.
will not eat in this house today. You will not eat in this house.
Madam, wake up.
Johnson, why is the gate open like this?
Madam, no, Mama. Mama been there pursue those children them. They go around, come on outside. I don't pursue them, reach junction, I know see. Yes.
Those children, you mean my nephew and my niece?
No, them.
Where are they?
They don't come out for the street. My mama been there pursue them. She said, "Man, I catch them." I don't pursue them. I don't see them. I don't know whether. And they don't say, I I need oxygen. Ah.
Why are you staring at me? Do you want to beat me? Come and beat me. Beat me now. Come and beat me.
Mama, I need oxygen. I faint.
You're very useless. You. No food for you.
No oxygen, Mama. You leave me to come out. I faint. This one don't follow for my walk, oh. Aye.
Ikenna, why are you home by this time? Don't tell me your wife dragged you back because of these rascals.
Sweetheart,
Yes, baby.
please take the kids inside.
All right.
Mama, you know you scared these children. My wife searched for them around the neighborhood but couldn't find them. That's why she called me.
Did I hear you right? You didn't even ask me what they did to me. Really? Oh, wait. So because your wife doesn't have a child, she brought them here so you will start seeing them as your own children, right? That will never happen. Tell your wife to give me grandchildren and not these rascals.
Mom, you're getting it all wrong. I and my wife has been making plans to help our sister train those children. She doesn't want them to grow up in their neighborhood. That's why they are here. Listen, Mom, I know these children talk too much. But you know they are kids and they need training.
And beating is part of the training. Tell your wife that I need grandchildren. I don't understand, Ikenna. Is this thing not bothering you? Eh? I can see your wife is now controlling you.
Mom, you need to understand that the safety of these children is very important to me. Do you know where we saw them today? What if something had happened to them? People will now start saying Ikenas have used these children for rituals.
They will not even be good for rituals. Nonsense. Ikenna. Ikenna. I need grandchildren. You're so relaxed about this thing. I don't understand. Is this not bothering you? Eh?
Mom, we are on it, okay? We are on it. That reminds me, when are you going back to the village? You need to let me know, so I'll arrange some of these electronics. I want to send some of them to the village so that they can make rooms for new ones.
Hi. Did I hear you right? I'm talking about your wife giving me grandchildren. You're here asking me when I'll go back to the village so I can give room for your wife to enjoy new electronics. Eh?
Mama, it's not like that.
You know what? Something is definitely wrong with you. And that is the truth.
Mama, nothing is wrong with me. I am fine. Perfectly fine. I cannot have peace in my own home again. Baby? Sweetheart?
Mom, what is it?
Mommy, what is it? Ghost where? In this house? Mom, there is no ghost in this house. There can't be ghost in the house.
My room. There's no ghost in my room.
Mom, it's not possible. Probably your mind is unclouded. It's not possible.
No. It was so real. I saw ghosts.
Mom, there is no ghost in this house.
Are you trying to say that I'm lying? I said I saw ghosts.
I'm not trying to call you a liar. But you can't do this now. This is my matrimonial bed.
I don't understand. I can't do what? You mean I can't run into your room? I can't sleep on your bed? Hey, this life. Ikenna, you that peed on my bed from infant till you finish secondary school, Ikenna. Dead, onweme malo. Udoga, where are you?
Mom,
Come and see what Ikenna is doing.
Mom, I'm sorry. It's okay. Please don't cry again. Don't cry again. It's fine. It's fine. You can sleep
Ikenna,
here.
you're doing this because
Mom,
of
it's
a woman.
okay. It's okay, please.
Because
please.
of a woman, Ikenna.
You can sleep here. You can sleep here. It's fine. Hmm?
Okay.
Sweetheart, let's go.
No! Go where?
Going to the visitor's room. Where there is no ghost.
And you want to leave me here? Ikenna, ghost is everywhere. Ghost is everywhere.
Mom, I don't know what you really want to. You wanted the matrimonial bed. You have it. I have to go to the visitor's room and sleep there with my wife now.
My only son. You're rejecting me. Ikenna, you're rejecting me, Ikenna. Because of a woman.
Oh.
Because of a woman, Ikenna.
It's okay. It's okay.
What
it's
am
okay.
I living for?
Mom, it's okay. Please. It's okay. It's okay. Please lie down. Don't worry. Lie down. Let me bring this out. It's okay. It's okay. Just lie down.
Ikenna, lie beside me. Babe, I'm going to the restroom.
Babe.
Yes.
Babe. Please. I beg you. Please.
Lie beside me, Ikenna. Hey. What do you think you're doing? Good morning, Mama. Back to sender. What are you doing? I don't understand. What don't you understand? Where are you taking this into? For who? Breakfast for my husband. What is breakfast? Eh? You don't have conscience. So this is what you want to serve my son? Bread and whatever it is that you covered in this plate. Mama, my husband told me what he wants for breakfast. And that's what I have here. And I'm his mother. And I say no! Hey! Come on, stop that nonsense. Can you do this stupid choice, Ebozenka? Eh? You're wicked. You can't cook because you're always pressing a phone, pressing laptop.
Yes, baby, I'm done. But your mother wouldn't let me bring it.
Mom, good morning.
Mom, how are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
What's the meaning of this? Eh? Why did you allow this? Anyway, not to worry. I am here now, okay? I want to prepare special and delicious egusi soup for you. Oh? Just a few minutes.
Mom, you need to stop all this cooking you're doing. We have different varieties of soup in the freezer, including stew.
Is this my son talking? How could you say this? Eh? Soup from the freezer. How can she feed you with food from the freezer? I'm talking about fresh food or still food from the freezer. What is this?
Mom, honestly, you need to stop disturbing my wife. I don't like the way you're treating her.
Did you just say that? Did you just say that? Okay. I'm sorry for disturbing your wife.
Mr. Wife, forgive me.
What do you do?
I dey tell my friend make they no know say na me.
Come you see for your face, yo. One minute say na me share.
How?
Your small self so tell you say na only both of us dey this size. I beg I dey beg you. If you won't carry your face, no tie am. So if mama catch you, or auntie catch you, or brother catch you, or that Calabar witch catch you, make them know say they catch you. No be don they call banana because na me bandits now. Na so they call am. Respect yourself. No try am. I don't want to leave this house.
Okay. No let me dey go. No be me and you dey follow go.
No be say that you wan lick mama back like balloon. Every time, acid, melting. So now if I follow what I go do now?
Calm down now. Why you dey shout? You dey look door for me so that they no go catch us. Abi, okay. Abi no be me and you dey run this game.
I don't tell you say I enter any game, I beg. I don't wash my hand comot. I don't want to leave this house, so. I don't want to leave this house.
I beg you, too dey fear. Leave matter for matter house.
I don't want to leave this house. They respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Why you dey shout? Nobody came and come here.
And now when you go flog me, I will just fear. You said do fast too.
Why you dey put fear for my body? Why you dey do like this? Huh?
Yeah. I don't understand. What, because because I dey yoke with you, that's you just dey provoke.
No be am now. You know say Oga dey house and Oga dem dey want me say you no want me I dey drink this thing.
Okay, forget about him. Forget about Oka. Put me one shot. Huh? Let me drink and shake my body.
I give you one shot.
Give me okogoro, let me drink and shake my body. My body need it.
No be you talk say you no want to the drink.
Okay, forget that talk of the past. I'm talking about the present. Give me something, let me share. What's up? Okokoro. That is why the Bible says, give okokoro to a foolish man. He will share his problem to you. See, that's what I'm talking about. Big, give me more.
Give you what?
Okokoro more. Let me shake my body.
Why I go give you another one? I drink one, you want me I give you two. Now you buy them.
You should a greedy. Yesterday, I told you to remind me that I get a gist for you.
Now true.
Forget about that one of the past. Now let me tell you the one that is boring me. Yours in Mayan. Take a very good look at me. No, just observe me from head to toes. In all my glories. I walk majestically into the kitchen to make a food. When I got there, with all my mind, soul, spirit, and energy, I deliver that food. Then when I went to present the food, Madam tell me no. That she, in fact, I should not enter her kitchen again. She want to be the one to take in charge.
Why?
Ask me. You see the food, my eating food that I cook with all my energy, my mind, and my strength is tasteless. Can you imagine?
Oh, Eka, you see that why they talk? I dey tell you, make you dey careful when you dey cook. Now, so the one where you cook the other day, I chop and feed it now, so salt dey inside.
Yeah. No, imagine your life. You see how people there? You see Juman Bin. You see Juman Bin. You see Juman Bin. Why you cannot please Juman Bin? Look at you. I cook rice and stew. I gave you that food. You chop. As a matter of fact, you lick your fingers. And then you say to me, this is so delicious, exciting, appetizing. That was your word. You jump. Now you open your mouth. Come on, sir.
What else, sir?
Come on, sir.
Okay, sir. Who be that? Teacher.
Good afternoon.
Well done.
Oh, Mr. Ikenna. Good afternoon, sir.
And who are you, please?
My name is Dorothy. Actually, I'm the private teacher. I am tutoring Ujunwa and Gabriel. Yeah.
I guess we're meeting for the first time.
Yeah, maybe because of your busy schedule.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
I hope they're not giving you too many troubles.
Not at all.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
May I open the gate?
Dija. Dija.
Mama, seriously, I am tired of the whole thing. I don't know. We've been living happily until she walked into this house. Now this place has become a nightmare. No, Mama, hold on, no, Mama, no. I don't think that's a wise thing to do. Mama, you coming to this house will be more problem for me. Please. Don't worry, I am fine. I'll be okay. Yes. I love you too. I love you too.
I will CMG. One hand. Erase Kodomgi. Come. You love him. So this is what you've been doing. Eh? Kamsewa. I knew it. You did not even allow my son to leave. You have started calling another man. Your cup is full. Let my son come back. Let my son come back. Okwagi, your days are numbered in this house.
I go tell no the one with that in the inside.
If you check am there now, I beg you to the 4% here now.
Okay.
If na me go there now, I for bring us something.
Okay, wait. If I come the shake and then they come catch me. Wait till you talk.
How na your business? You know they do fast. Oh.
Na my business.
God. To the 4% hands now.
Wait till make you no go.
Wait oh.
I did knock doors. Like I'm knocking. What is you people cannot even say come in. You are telling me wait for what? Wait. That's very bad.
Minus that one, I beg. Food already?
Yes, food is ready. See them, come on, go back there. When you hear food, na so na go dey jump like frog, like toad, boom. You don't hear food, you don't go. Your teacher is don't come. Go and learn book. Your lesson teacher is here. Wake up and go and learn and leave food alone.
You sef no chop today now. Make we see if you go see there alive. Calabar witch.
What would I chop?
I won't teach help. You know book. You know book.
Well, I don't know book because I'm not privileged to get somebody to train me. You people get somebody to privilege to train you people. So now 1 + 1 is your duty. You hear me? 1 + 1 is your work. Wake up and go and live. I did not get anybody to train me.
Now also privilege because all that they learn, they put here.
I'm not interested because I'm old school. You people are new school. So let me tell you, school is not scam. Go to school, go and learn.
Every day, every time they tell person make you go learn book. Wetin be book?
Book is 1 + 1 = 2. A is equal to B. B is equal to C. That is what you people are supposed to learn. Don't ask me nonsense, Mister. Wake up now and call me your teacher. That's what's up. And that's how it is. And stop acting like a little demon. My dear, Mister, food is ready.
want trouble.
Shut up, safe. Now you don't get safe. So bring good one now. Some this one now. Make up.
The one way better to me, sir.
You're very much on point. Eat it together. Ooh, no. This is full option. So, how do you see my son?
Well, he's tall, handsome, he's hardworking, and successful too. Wow!
You can say that again. I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Because in all honesty, have you given birth before?
No, not at all. Not at all.
You can see. Okay, then get ready to experience one.
Okay.
Get ready.
But won't the wife feel bad?
Wife one has only. Talk about yourself. And Uncle wife, listen. This is my son's house. And I'm in charge here. Okay? Once I say it, it happens that way. I'm very happy you've met with my son. That is what matters. So just obey everything I say. And there won't be problem. This is the perfect picture. Exactly what my son needs.
Okay. So, where are the kids?
You love your man now, we dey here. Husband snatcher, we dey here. It is say we know the year wetin na the Capon saying. Na the Kaba saying. We dey here.
And she dey even happy sef. See wetin you welcome. See wetin you welcome.
Shut up! Both of you get out! Get out of this place!
We no dey get out anything, Male. We no dey comot for here. We go expose you. You see today? We go expose you. Auntie go know. Down.
So you package this one now for my auntie husband. Hey, Male. Your son no Male. Male. Oh, you disappoint me.
Hey, shh.
Auntie!
Auntie!
Auntie! We go expose you.
Come.
Auntie tell us say you don't come. Mama,
Good day, ma.
they do this one now. They package this one now for brother.
I don't understand what you mean by arrange this one.
Male here. She dey arrange our Tisha Dorati. Make brother give am belle.
Dorothy, why are you dressed like this to my house? No, what is the reason? Have you met my husband?
Mom, I met him outside, but that's not why I met. I'm so sorry, ma. It was all her plan.
Go.
Get out. Get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Bye-bye. They go. Bye-bye. No one anyway.
No dey learn again o.
No come.
Go to you.
They arrange am. They think say you no dey there.
Did you see my handbag?
Ogenekwa.
I'm looking for my handbag or something.
Okay, Okay, your handbag.
Yes.
That black one.
Yes.
That one where they carry like this.
My handbag, yes, that black one.
She carry and come out now.
Who is she?
Hey, I talk am. Say that bag resemble mama own. Oh God.
Wait.
Have you see am?
Who carry the bag?
Auntie Dorothy o. Mama run before she go carry am or enter
Dorothy.
taxi. Auntie oh mama, no dey do your teacher. Run. Also before she enter taxi or keke o. Woo! Yawa don gas.
You go show them say, na me get head.
I say, na me dey run things.
Na me be acid. Na me be acid. Melting.
She dey do us now. This is our time to do her back.
I go melt am.
Who dey? Oh, that's why I too like you. Acid. Melting.
Once now, put am for her body woto. Dorothy. That one we call Dorothy. She no go teach us again.
Who wan learn book? Book na scam. Make I tell you on time, sef.
School na scam na. Forget how we dey go school.
Book and school or school and book. Both of them mean the same thing. Na scam.
But
Wait. Don't close it yet. Where is she?
Oh, the teacher?
Yes.
She don't come out. She just enter taxi where drop person now. They go.
Okay. Is she carrying any handbag?
It be like.
It's again.
It be like.
Hey,
Timo! What happened?
It be like.
What happened? Yeah. What happened? I don't understand these people for this house.
What is the meaning of this madness?
You called me.
Did you enter my room?
Yeah, what? Your room? I don't even walk close to that place. No. I've been in the kitchen cooking. I didn't go there.
Where is Gabriel and Ujungwa?
Gabriel and Ujungwa. Not set my eye on them.
Go and look for them. Call them to come here.
Jeez, now.
Hi.
Ma, I didn't see them.
Are you stupid? Go and look for them.
Juliet, You have to be vigilant with your work here. You see table 3. I serve them drinks worth 40,000. Make sure they pay before they leave this premises. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Go there now. Hurry up.
You really need to learn how to act like a CEO. Allow the waiters do their job.
Guy, I'm used to serving the guests.
Especially the female ones, right?
I can't help it, bro. Women are the tonic of a man's lifestyle and pleasure.
You need to get married.
No way.
Get married, you're not getting any younger, bro.
I am not complaining. I'm contented the way I am. And besides, women are troublesome.
I totally do not agree with you on that. I mean, we still have good women out there. Cynthia is a wife material.
No, please don't even talk about Cynthia. All she talks about these days is marriage this, marriage that. Even if I want to marry, I'll marry a woman who will respect me, who will obey me. Look at Donuts. He lost everything to his wife and later committed suicide. Now his wife is cruising about town with a boy young enough to be her son. I don't want anything like that for myself, please.
Well, all I know is women have their uses. I'll soon be going. My wife is expecting me.
You see? You see? This is exactly what I'm saying. The Ikena I knew back then was a rolling stone, man. This is not you. You no longer keep late nights.
I'm a married man, bro.
No.
I'm married.
No, don't say that. You're in your prime, guy. You know, you should go out and have fun. Have some fun, man. See, we're having a high life party next tomorrow here. You can come with some side chicks or, you know. Okay, fine. Just come with your wife.
I'll think about it.
No, it's not. You're not thinking about it. You are coming.
I just told you I will think about it.
I love to move it. I like to move it. Okay, I'm down. You jump one, no me, you jump up.
Play, I don't collect.
Play. Now, okay, now 1, 2 now. You know that's
Who
now.
be that now? Ah, my chop.
Okay, now, Yoro now.
Now me
Now,
chop.
Yoro now.
Who be that? Oh!
Listen, okay, move.
Who dey disturb person like this?
Where she dey? Where she dey? Come on for road.
Wait, hey!
Where the woman wey say my pikin no go drink water keep cup?
Where you dey go? Why you go your bad enter person come out like this?
Who you dey talk to?
Now you are dey talk to. Now you get house.
You know your fear face?
Who just fear which face?
You know the fear face?
Who told me say the crazy? That maybe security for this place. That's what.
My action dey come with sound. Where dem dey? Where dem? Hey! My pikin.
Mommy,
What's up?
Amazi. Mommy, Amazi. If it was Kasaranki. Onge wa wera ma fa wa ghetto.
Gini na-eme n'ama?
Amazi, akai mara gị n'ala nwa.
Yeah. 2, 3. Ozugbo. Ka ife na-eme n'ama? Wetin dey happen?
Man no clear. You see, na so you happy say you come. Na so hide we dey hide since.
You dey hide?
Man no clear na.
Na so?
Now the sound of your gun we hear. If not, now so hide. Bend this one.
Which kind matter be that? Una sister no dey see say una dey hide.
That one dey even wicked or joy.
Una sister the wicked una. Oh, you don't shoot. Up pikin. You dey craze?
Ha! Male, wetin be this one carry come my house now?
I wan know wetin dey happen.
You don't spoil something for me. Don't push me towards my house.
My pikin leave this thing. Who dey take you play aproko? They don't know say person wey dey whip dey waka for road no dey see road. They don't know that one.
They no know. Male, don't you? But this way you carry come here, e no good. You go spoil things for me. Eh?
Now you dey talk so.
Male, na my mother-in-law won't carry this
Wait. Now your mouth all this one dey come out from. You don't change yo. Now wetin be this one now? You dey talk from one side of your mouth now. Which one be this? Abi they don't take your brain drink garri. Eh? Okay.
Male, Fashi, welcome.
Thank you.
Collect her bag.
But she follow the beat us.
Eh? We follow the
Male, no, do what be. No, do what be. I beg.
Man, Kala. Now, my sister, make we leave her. Make we dey go. No force me now. Make Male wakas, Male de waka.
Oh yeah, waka.
No be so.
Male, waka. Move your move. Hey, see them. See them. Hey.
Where they happen? Which way will they go? I beg, clean my shoe, clean them. Don't correct. Male. And here we go. Open door and look me enter. Hold on, make your mind. Hey, the line.
Man of the movement. Look at your life. Chief Insecurity Officer. CISO. Chief Insecurity Officer. Uncle, you are a security man here. You just hear toy con, you yakpa. Look at you safe in public. He's disgracing your family members. I beg, come out there. You don't know that woman. You just yakpa fear casual. You are a disgrace to your generation. Come on, get out there. Big for nothing. Big belly soya. Big belly army man.
No be security man I be. They tell you say I be Air Force.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Big.
Mama, sit down. Mama, go bring you cola.
Go bring cola.
Wait till you dey like now, go bring.
Make you hurry, oh.
Hey, who dey?
No be small matter. Children, how did they treat you here? They beat us.
Did they beat you now? Who they beat you?
Who they beat you? The witch. Their mama. Their mama.
Male. Cola, don't show.
Thank you for this one, but your mama they hungry.
You dey hungry?
And they hungry.
No worry, now my house you dey chop dey.
Oh, yeah, bring food.
I dey come.
Say the beat you now. Wait till they beat us. The woman be rich. How come una never beat her? Una for set trap for her now.
Eka! Eka!
Yes.
Who be that old woman where no one go village? Wetin my pikin do you sef? Now you are the ask, wetin my pikin do you?
I hope you're not talking to me.
You dey up there they talk, make you come down. Come down! I no blame you. Person wey never cross river, they insult crocodile. Because I give una my pikin. My Miss World pikin, now una dey take am dey play. My pikin, my first pikin. When marry that your K-leg boy. Now una dey treat am anyhow, you dey crazy Sabina waiting.
Just listen to yourself. You came in here making noise.
Eh?
You came to display your ghetto touch here. Which daughter are you talking about? That's your decayed daughter. Eh? Listen, let me tell you. Just because she went to the university does not mean she has changed. A chameleon can never stop from changing colors. Never.
You want war? Oh, so you're ready for fight. You see that war where you want? I go give am to you. Give me man, kill this woman.
Man, wetin dey sup now? Wetin dey sup now?
This woman no dey crazy.
Man, they just dey shoot.
She no get manners.
Don't do.
My action they come with sound though.
Male, I swear I don't like this way you do now. I don't like am. I don't like am.
Shoot am for leg.
Shut up.
No be leg I want shoot am. I want shoot him ass.
Male, I don't like this way you do too. I don't like
Now because I never threaten you, man, go make you shut up.
Like you shoot me na pikin I go die now.
How you go there? How my pikin go there here? They go to treat them anyhow.
I don't like this way.
You don't see say they insult you. My pikin number one, beauty queen. No, see the vex.
I dey beg you now. I dey beg you. My husband has been this way.
Who be that woman?
Look at your face. Fear won't kill you. Who be that woman? So you want to tell me that you did not recognize that woman? Okay, that's true. You don't know her. Now let me explain to you. You see that woman there?
Uh-huh.
You see that woman there? It's Big Madam Mora.
So you know who she be? You allow me, man. You leave me a day here, they talk to me.
Look, calm down. The woman they tell you come out for road, you can't jab big belly, stand for road like person that is pregnant.
Not be my work I dey do.
Which one? Are you not supposed to protect this place? Are you not supposed to protect this place? Because you are a chief insecurity officer. You're supposed to stand when person want to enter. You not allow the person enter the compound. You just open the gate, like a naked woman. You allow me enter inside the compound. And tomorrow you tell me I'm a chief security. You are nothing.
I work na gate man. I know be security officer. Security officer, they get a weapon. My own now to open gate, close gate. Now what did I do?
No wonder they saw the same uniform give us because they do like people who don't go marriage. Because you are supposed to be a maiden inside a kitchen and cook food. This is their uniform. They are supposed to give you a chief security officer uniform. You are not even capable.
You should say no.
Don't worry, sis. You need to know the sound of the one. Welcome, sir. God bless you, boss.
Okay. Trouble there.
Sir, Gazaladon boss.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Beke.
Oga, no enter house. Madam Mama, she enter here. Don't for her. As I talk to you now, this is my ear. They don't wait.
Sir, let me explain to you better. Your wife Mora came here, and when she came here, now if for him to come out for Kate so that she can enter, he carry her in Bele, stand for road. The woman now provoke and shoot gun on the air.
What are you two saying?
What I'm saying is that your wife Mora come here. He shoot gun. All of us hide. Me, I no hide. I just run.
My mother-in-law.
James, she's inside here.
What we're saying, sir, is that I'm not even sure your mother is alive, because as the woman enter, her eye they red. You understand?
Your mother is alive. Just that the woman provoke. She just provoke.
I don't have time for you.
Okay, you don't enter inside house.
Why not? Is he not a man? A man, he can take care of everything. He can take control of everything. Thing is like you, like weaklings. I beg, not push me, Joe. What's up? Now, what's your problem? You see something, you cannot confront situation. He will live to fight another day. That's what's up.
No be waiting at the top. He who fights and runs live to fight another day. Now why I run? Make I live fight tomorrow.
Who told you I run? I just went to take cover. I not run go anywhere.
Now cover me, I also they take.
Male, seriously. This I know say you carry gun into this house. I will not invite you. I will not try her.
Make you just hear yourself. Person why waka to defend now. See waiting they come off from your mouth. Eh?
Male, no be say I no appreciate this way you can do for me. But you overdo am now. Eh? You overdo am. See this marriage dey sweet me. I don't want anything to go spoil am. I don't want her. Male, person wey dey sell egg for market no dey start fight. Because you see this fight, if we start up, we no fit win am at all. We no go win am.
You know say I dey happy. Now you dey talk like my pikin wey get sense. I think say university don't spoil you finish.
Who side? Me. Me.
Yes now.
Miss Ward. Mama, you forget me?
Miss
Ward. Oh, na hell am.
I bet when I realize there. I know they hear me. I don't want that kind of hear.
May I even ask you, Miss Ward? Your husband they give you shishi at all?
Before uncle. Wait though. What did they keep me for this house? The mama called the Jones that they live on. That because of the thing they give me. Okay. And you know say, men fit buy man when wife get big bum bum.
And you get that.
So,
you collect from your mama. No, it's okay. You collect them from your mama. Now identity. It's okay.
I won't tell you, say, I no want it for water. May soup enter my eye.
God forbid, no be my pikin. Now me born you now.
Okay. I made it talk.
Now my pikin they talk.
I made it talk.
I train you well. Aye.
But the side girl they carry got out touching guy. Everything I do.
Well, okay. Oh, as you say, you did fine now. Eh? But it's still good say I come.
Chabe, get kala. If you not get move borrow my own.
If you borrow my own, what thing I go to use?
Not true. I won't make you carry that woman shoot am for leg. Go carry am down for village. I beg no kill am. I won't see the leg where she go use carry come sit here again. Come dey harass my auntie.
Anyway. Yeah, it did like bicycle. What can I see now? What thing I bring for you?
Yeah.
And you can't see where you go drink so that once you go.
Asunko. Also.
Wait now.
And who was that woman that came here with a gun threatening to kill my mother?
Woman? That was my mother.
Didn't your mother recognize her? How will I recognize her? When she came here dressed like bandits, shooting in the air.
Baby, I'm truly sorry. Listen, I tried my possible best to stop her. I tried.
It's obvious your best is not enough. What if she has shot my mom?
Come on, baby. Come on. Do you know my mother wouldn't shoot anybody? She was just shooting in the air, just joke like that. Just, nothing serious.
Jesus Christ. What was a joke? Shooting in the air was a joke to you. Ike, have you seen it? Have you seen the family you married from? I warned you, but you kept saying, Mom, I've found my missing rib. I've found my missing rib. Is this on your missing rib? Eh? Is it not obvious that her family is evil? Bad omen. Eh? Your father died on the very day of your wedding. What does that tell you? Which other confirmation do you need? Eh? Not to talk of the fact that she has not conceived.
Please, I don't want your mom to spend the night here.
Bam!
If you know what's good for you, tell her to go back to wherever she's coming from. And tell her not to come to my house again with a gun.
Oh my boy. Bishon. You think here is ghetto? Do you think here is ghetto? You never have ghetto. I'm convincing me my son's house.
My pikin, I don't show be say I don't show. I dey here, I stand here like Delegiwa. Wetin you dey talk? I no dey go anywhere. Who be that woman? I wan show am say na me be area mama. No shaking, no. No shaking at all.
Mali, I beg. Nothing dey happen for your fights no dey here. I was the one who invited you, Mama. Yes. Well, let's see. My husband is not even happy that you came here with the gun. So you have to understand with me.
Wetin you need to understand? No, wetin you want make I understand? This woman need to know, say na me be area mama. Say na me born you. I be your mama. Eh? This way dey sweet though. I dey hate you. You go bring more food for me. Say na you cook am. Eh, that's one no go sabi cook anything. Ma tell you something, my pikin. Person wey madman kill him papa, he suppose dey fear mechanic.
Mama, nobody dey kill anybody for here. Nobody's killing anybody. Mama, please. I don't want to have problem with my husband. I don't want to get issue with my husband. I beg. Mama, I beg.
Where you dey go? I think say you want enter kitchen go bring more food. See this girl. They follow man for back, bottom. If you see trouble, now you know. My pikin dey live better life here. And mama, they get to they chop mama put. See better chicken. Where is that idiot? Security!
Madam!
Security!
Madam!
Come here, my friend.
Madam!
Mba, make you go.
Okay, they come, ma. Madam.
I beg. I won't buy loud.
Loud. Madam, I don't know whether they sell loudspeaker.
I beg. First of all, may I even ask you? What's be your name?
I be Johnson, but they call me JJ.
I'm not interested in what they call you. I just want to know your name. You say you don't know.
I don't know whether they sell loudspeaker, but you get one DJ waiting for the other street.
You don't do. As you don't know, you don't know. Can you buy me know what I dey talk.
Oh, madam, I don't know whether they said that one, but if no original shepe you want, I feel bad. I get small flask. I get them for my room.
I mentioned shepe here.
No, ma.
Good. Make you go down the road. You get one supermarket way there. When you reach there, buy me cigar.
Cigar?
Cigar. One packet too.
Madam, it's small problem there. You know, say Oga tell me say I know they come out from gate. If I feel call a car, make it go run the matter.
You say?
Oga no tell me anything. Oga no tell me anything. I go buy him. Cigar, one packet. I go buy him. Madam, you no give me money.
You say?
Money for the cigar.
Yes,
Make you use your money buy am.
I go buy am, ma.
Good.
I go buy am.
And as you dey go, I no wan make you run. When you reach gate, lie down, roll yourself. Like rolling stone, roll and go there. Because if you begin run, you no go reach. Yeah. But if you roll yourself, you go reach. They go.
I go roll, ma.
They go!
I go roll, I go roll, I go roll.
Hi! Same backside.
I dey roll. I don't roll, ma. I don't roll. I don't roll.
Hey, what? I mean, what's in this woman they give her here? See, Bele. Our side, nobody they find this time. Papa Feliciago, our do, Papa Feliciago, our do, Papa Feliciago. Hey!
Baby, look, it's not like I'm disrespecting you or that I just decided not to do what you asked me to do. It's just that she just got here. I can't possibly tell her to pack her things and leave my house just like that. She is still my mother. Please understand.
Listen, I understand you're pissed off with my mother's attitude, but I told you I'm handling it. I don't see any of you inviting her to come put petrol on the fire.
No. I did not invite my mother to come here and fight or cause any problem. I just told her to come here and help me talk to your mother, that's all.
Talk to her with a gun in her hands. She was even shooting in the air. What if the security personnel or the policemen heard the gunshot and then come here? What would be her explanation?
Baby, they didn't hear and nobody came here. So please, let's slide. Please.
She's really taking a big risk.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Look at your face.
Shoki, waiting in the yarn. You know, sir, I know they like hear this kind of nonsense. Make you go collect money from this woman, you just come they talk rubbish. See, if she no agree pay you, make you just scatter her garri for ground. Now me go tell you what you go do now. I beg, I know they like this kind of nonsense. Waiting. What about the other markets? The one where they yonder. Now this kind thing that they like here now. Make you keep my money for me. No talk cut there. Make I come back first. If I get anything what I won't give you, I go give you. No, they talk this kind of nonsense now. Keep my money for me. Now you they perform now. That is why they call you Shoki. Make you keep my money for me. No touch am. And I me go take my hand. Get. Shoki, I go call you back. Bad market don't enter.
Shuka mommy. Why are you making me feel so nevertheless? This is not nice, babe. What's up? I keep food for mama. You went there and chop it. The food that you ate, it is not your own. It's mama's food. This is not fair now.
Because of food, you little twerp, they call me Shuka mommy. Are they your size? I be your size. Which one it be? So what you want make I do now so I don't chop the money? The food.
I could ask me that question now. I beg. Look at my belly, very flat. I don't have big belly for trouble. I beg. What do you expect me to go and tell mama now? You know her and her plenty problem. How do you expect me to go and approach her now?
Come, may I tell you something?
I beg you better tell me something.
My action they go with sound. You look me finish. You they talk to me like that. Oh, so you they fear your madam? But you no fear me.
What's wrong?
Make you come out here before I go shoot that your gay leg.
I know the day you say, mama food now, you come there and slap me. You see fair?
You still the talk.
Come here, home. See fair?
You see fair. Nonsense. They abuse me. You know the fear. You know the fear face.
I roll quick go.
I'll check now whether you buy original. I don't trust you.
The
man dey there.
Now my shirt baby this.
You say?
My shirt I feel carry am.
He can really shoot to catapult.
Mali, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Why they go now? Which one is this one? Oh.
Auntie, she say she no go fit do anything to us. She will fit run come for this house.
May una chill now. You see that woman? She no fit do anything to una. I tell you. I don't tell am say I be area mama. She dey fear me now. She no go touch una. Una get wetin I dey talk?
But she go show us pepper now.
She go show you pepper. May una show am pepper. Buy Cameroon pepper, add am show am. How the two of una go dey here? That old woman go dey. Una no know wetin I teach you now. Abeg, I go today.
At least stay small now. Stay small. That woman wicked.
No. Area dey cold. I no dey. Money suppose dey flow. I need to go. Besides, say I need to. Say I go touch one or two things now. You dey get my drift. You don't understand wetin I dey talk.
I understand.
I don't like as una dey behave now. May una no make me feel bad. No, just
Sophia! Pwa! What do you imagine? Some mothers are shameless. Eh? Can you imagine? Just take a look at the way she's dressed. Old cargo. Dressed like highway girl. I pity all these rats you're deceiving.
Say, as you they come down, they do that twe. I think say na cancer of the mouth you get. I been a diarrhea of the mouth. So you like my dressing? You for talk am now? May I dash you one shot now? Eh? No be this tie where did the tie hit won't kill you from under. Wait till they talk. Oh, look at you. You call me she-goat. You be that pig. Wait tell goat say you no one being friend because goat no they bath. When you just smell like pit latrine.
You're the one that eats from dirty latrine. And for your information, this is a symbol of motherhood.
If they call you mother, you go jump come out.
I blame you.
You go jump come out.
Yes. This is a virtuous woman's look. That's exactly what you're seeing. You better start going now.
Come push me come out.
If I push, what will you do?
Well, try now.
If I push, what will you do?
I go beat you like pikin.
You cannot beat me.
I go lay you down here. I go beat respect come out your body.
You dare not!
You dare try me?
Because of your God.
Because of my God.
You want to shoot me?
Again?
Yes!
Let me say I want shoot her. Wait. See I put hand for pocket. Make I scratch my body.
It's a lie.
Now I need the see him now.
Mom, it's okay.
See him now.
It's okay. Please see your mom off.
I'm going to do that. Just take your mother upstairs. Take her out of this house. This is my son's house.
Mom, it's okay.
You see as your mama they talk.
It's okay.
She wants to kill me.
Okay.
You see as your mama they talk.
Let's go.
What's in they chase you now?
Mama, it's okay. Let's go upstairs.
See him now.
I don't see her.
See empty pockets.
Mama, please, it's okay.
She's lying. Mama, go upstairs.
Shut up! Let's go upstairs.
She's lying. She's a monster.
It's okay. Let's go upstairs. Please.
That place is swollen.
You see where she they look?
The gun is there.
You they look my something.
My something too.
Please see your mom off.
This your mama get eye for woman. No.
Upstairs, please.
Mommy,
let's go upstairs.
Get out of this house. Get out. Take your mother out.
Ike now wait. my in-law. May you find mama transport. May take they go.
Mama, I go sort you.
No, not be your own. You go sort me. I don't say you go sort me. I won't make your husband sort me.
I already sent her.
No, you sent to her. Sent to my phone. I won't hear already. Why?
Jesus.
I'll do it in the car. Mama, let's go.
No, be babe matter. May una give me my money.
Mama, let's go upstairs, please.
You're the monster. Get out. Get out.
Mommy, let's go. Let's go.
Shameless she go.
It's okay, mommy.
Pig. Where they chop for latrine.
She dey fear you.
Why she not go fear me? If I treat her like this, you not go to harass her now.
Abi?
No, they push me. They push me. I they go. Take am easy. No say I go walk out.
Marriage not for better, for worse.
No, wait.
Don't be something where they rush. If you try, you know what make you try again. No, it's just a game of two. No carry your own boots.
Ashanti. Ashanti.
Mama. Why you won't come and sleep for my eyes? Every day you dey bring us some for me.
My madam, what is it? I feel you done enough. Let's go. What is it? I feel you done enough. Come on, the pen, the thumbing, the torsions. Hey, let's go. The pen, the thumbing, the torsions. I feel you done enough. What is it? KKK. I feel you done enough. KKK. What is it? My madam, I feel you done enough. KKK. The pen, the thumbing, the torsion. Hey, the pen, the
Stop making that noise.
Jesus, how you scared me? Hi.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry, ma. Your fear crammed me. Sorry. I didn't see it coming, I beg. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Okay. Who cooked this?
Oh, madam. That is my madam that cook it though. Because her mother chop your food. So she now says she cooked this one so that she can duplicate it.
I don't understand.
Like she want to duplicate your food that she chop.
She replaced my delicious soup.
Yes, she duplicate.
To this poison.
Yes, she duplicate your delicious food.
Pour this anyway.
Ma?
Pour it away! What is the meaning of this nonsense? Eh? Frozen food in this house. And I've warned my son again. Stop eating frozen food. You cannot use frozen food to compare to food that you just prepared fresh. Eh? What is all this frozen food everywhere? God forbid. I reject it.
Amen.
Please pour this away.
Definitely, ma. I will do that.
Lazy people. Cook how many bowls of soup? Whatever it is, pack in the freezer. Nonsense.
Wait. How can I pour this food now? No, it no go well. You can't expect me to pour this food when Yeye did it. Yeye is a consumption company. Whether I good or bad, his belly will take it. For what now? Come tell me to pour it.
The stock market is not stable these days. I pity the stockbrokers.
Babes, just few of these conglomerates are doing well. And I'm thinking of advising some of my business clients to hold on.
Okay.
Because it is very risky to invest in stock now. Very risky.
That's true. How do you study this chart?
Oh, baby, you will not understand. Madam, Ngwa, get up. I want to talk to my son. Sit properly.
Mama, you can sit somewhere else now. We have other seats here.
And what is the meaning of that nonsense? Just because.
Mama, you said you wanted to talk to me.
Yes, but I want to eat first, so I can have strength to talk.
But my wife prepared breakfast.
Eh? Frozen food. Ike, so you want me to eat frozen food? Eh? I want to eat something else. Mama, please. What would you like to have? I would like to have okwa. Excuse me. Mama, you expect me to go to the market just to buy you okwa? When I've stocked up the house with the things you need for this week.
Sweetheart, please. Can you try and go to the market and buy her okwa?
Oh, no.
Baby, please. Please.
I don't understand. You're saying please? Why are you begging her to cook for me? Eh? Is she not supposed to cook for me? I am your mother here. Ike, what is wrong with you?
Mama.
Don't mama me.
Mama, I want peace in my home.
You want peace in your home?
I want peace in my home.
Am I bringing chaos in your home? I don't understand you, Ike. I'm your mother. Stop this nonsense. Eh? Are you supposed to beg her to cook for me? Eh? Anyway, that's not the issue now. Listen, I am thinking of something. Why don't you get a new wife? Why are you doing as if I've said something wrong? Eh? I don't understand you. Are you not worried about this, your childlessness? If you're not worried, I, your mother, Teresa, I am very worried.
Mama, what actually is your problem? Tell me. Before now, you've been proud of me. But now you find fault in every little thing I do. I've told you countless times to leave this thing to me. I will handle it. God's time is the best, remember?
Exactly. And God's time is now. Because let's not just argue about this whole thing. You need to get another woman that is fruitful. Yes. Why got two women? A woman that is fertile. It's almost 2 years and she's yet to conceive. Not even a miscarriage. Eh? What are you telling me? Ike, think about this. Your father died on the day of your wedding. Hello, bad man. What? Does it not ring a bell? Eh? Does it not ring a bell? Listen, you need another girl. Someone that will conceive and bear you children. Not this one.
Not possible, Mama.
What is not possible? Let me shock you. Let me shock you. Are you aware that your wife is cheating on you? You heard the sound. Yes. I overheard her conversation over the phone, discussing with a man. And at the end of that phone call, the only thing I heard was, I love you so much.
Mama, no.
Eh?
It can't be. That's an outrageous accusation. You can't say such thing about Rachel.
Did I hear you say accusation? Ike, are you calling me a liar? So your mother is a liar? Oh, fine. Now listen. Let me tell you what to do.
Mama.
Hello? What kind of mother-in-law is she? Eh? Why won't she allow you enjoy your marriage? I mean, that woman has to go back to the village.
it is not as easy as you think. Ikenna loves his mom and she's capitalizing on it. Ask Ikenna to choose between his wife and his mother. You'll be surprised.
I don't doubt you. I don't doubt you at all. Imagine I was in the middle of a chore. The mother came downstairs and told me that she wanted to eat okwa. Ikenna opened his mouth to say, honey, leave whatever thing you're doing, go get my mother the okwa. My husband chose okwa over my job. Can you beat that?
Well, you have to take it easy, Rachel. I remembered vividly how he cancelled your wedding just because he was afraid of marrying you the same day his father died.
Wedding is cancelled. I'll explain to you later.
Rachel! 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 Rachel!
Well, guys, I don't even care about this wedding thing. I don't care. After all, we had our traditional marriage and it went well. Yes. This white wedding thing is just a camouflage for me. The only thing I'm worried about now is that the mother keeps using that against me. She torments me that every day.
So,
guys, I gotta go.
So what are you going to do in all of these things? What are you going to do?
Girlfriend, I have nothing in my mind to do. The mistake I made the last time was bringing my mother over, and I will never try that again.
It's okay, it's fine. I will think of something. I will think of a solution. That woman is supposed to be in the village.
But now she's in the city. Rachel,
yes.
You need to talk to Ikenna about the doctor I told you about.
Okay.
I'm sure he's definitely going to listen to you this time.
Alright. I will.
Alright, take care.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Alright.
Benjamin, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Madam. Madam.
Who was that?
Okay, now once you see where carry bike, she give me this thing saying Oga Madam I go give am. As Oga Madam no there. I carry am go back now, keep am. So when you come, I go give
Don't
am.
be stupid. Hand it over to me.
No, the CC say I give am Oga Madam for hand. I no give am another person.
Give me. Ah. Be very careful.
Sorry, man.
What is it? Go back to your duty post.
Sorry, man.
To my love, Rachel.
Hey, hey! Eh? Rachel, my love, I just want to let you know that my life is nothing without you. Hey! I have been waiting patiently for you to carry out our plan, but it's taking too long. Ikenna! Ike! Balu biara! Ikenna!
What is it?
You promised to gather as much money as possible so we could elope and reunite.
Who's that for?
No noise. I can't continue this hide and seek game. It's either you poison him so we can take over his will. Ikeda. Hey! To my love, Rachel, with a sign of love. I can't continue this hide and seek game. Love you so much. Raymond, I told you.
Rachel is cheating on me.
Not just cheating on you. More than cheating on you. Rachel has finished you. Like mother, like daughter. You see? I told you. I told you that I never trusted that girl. But you kept doubting me. Which other explanation are you looking for? Eh? Which other explanation are you looking for? Nekene, a woman you got married to. Eh? Any girl that came from the trench must always act as one. Look at her mother. Not to talk of those little rats that are so troublesome that her sister gave birth to out of wedlock. Eh? How do you explain that? I don't even know how you found yourself in this kind of family. Eh?
Baby, I'm sorry. I had to go see my friend. That's why I'm coming by this time. Mama, don't worry, I'll be fast.
What did they? Be fast to do what? Eh? Fast to do what? Fast to feed us with more courses. Eh? Fast to do what I'm asking you? You think you're smart? Your cup is full. Your cup is full.
Rachel.
Baby.
What is the meaning of this?
I don't understand. Is this some kind of joke or something? What is this?
A joke? I should be asking you that. Who the hell is Raymond?
Come on, baby. Don't tell me you believe this nonsense. I don't know any Raymond or whatever thing his name is called. What the hell is this? Shut up! What nonsense? Eh? Raymond is your lover. Your cup is full. You've been exposed. Baby, you have known me for 4 years. Why would I be seeing another man? You know I can't do that. Why would I do that? Why? Why? Now let me tell you. You see that spell you casted on my son? Eh? God has delivered him. You have failed woefully. Oh, stop this thing! What is this now? What kind of joke is this one? Baby. Yeah, if you touch my son, eh? Don't try me. Don't try me! Are you stupid? Baby, don't believe this thing. I do not know who Raymond is. I've never seen that or heard that such name before. I don't know who the person is, baby. Please don't believe this. Baby, listen, you know me. 4 years, baby. What is this?
Eka. What did happen? I'm not hearing it.
Shh. It's your problem. Put your ear there. Come, follow me. Why you shout? Come. Huh? I like people that are very smart.
What did happen? I'm not hearing it.
That's my problem. There is Vaja on the mountain. Nobody seems to be on the run. Look.
Why they sing dog?
Calm down now. I'm trying to tell you that this song is Rihanna that sing it, because Rihanna know that there could be fire in Nigeria. She now sing that song. There is fire inside her house. Now let me tell you the problem. Maram went out to see her lover boy. Then when she went there, she made love to her lover. The thing sweet the lover. Then the lover sent them flowers down to the house. Oka now went there and see the flowers. King. Now they are having problem inside there.
Wait. Now me receive the flowers now. You get one fine baby where come here, come deliver them. Now me collect them. Hi! If say I know for Karen, I for keep him here, give her madam for hand.
Calm down. Why will you talk that? How you go carry the flower, go give madam for hand? Is it madam that pay you salaries? Is it not Okara that pay you salary? How will you carry the flower, go and give madam? That's how you people have problem. Don't make me feel so nevertheless. For what? I'm telling you that you are supposed to carry that flower and give to Okara. That's the right thing that you did. Now you are telling me that you'd have given it to madam. I don't like that place. Stop it, beg. For what now? Common sense is not even common. You did the right thing, now you are regretting. For what? I don't like that place. Stop it, beg.
Wow.
Baby, please believe me. I do not know whoever it was that sent that card and flower. I don't know who the person is. I swear on my life. Baby, I swear, you should know me. I'm your wife. I do not know who the person is. What will the man tell me that will leave you and go? Who is the man? What will he tell me? I beg you have to listen to me. See, I'm feeling sick already because you're not talking to me. Please, my darling husband, you need to talk to me. Have mercy. Please, I do not know who the person is. I promise you. Please, baby, now. Please, honey, please. Honey, I beg.
Hey, Elmo, come down. Go down. I move you. I know. On the side of the mouth, please. Please. No, see that to me. Don't hurt my family, please. I'll give you anything you want, please. Don't hurt my family. Please. No, see that to me. Please. Tani madam, you right. Tani madam, you right. Who be madam for you?
No. It's not me. This is my
son's house. See madam there.
Mon frère, leave me by more. I don't want to see you for here again.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see you for here again.
Yes, sir.
They hear me?
Yes, sir. I'll go tomorrow, sir.
Oh, Allah.
I promise you, sir.
I'm just a house help, my bitch. Oh, my bitch, I'm just a house help. I'm just a house help. I'm just a house help.
Come, where's the money? Where's the money there?
Upstairs.
Stand up. Stand up. Come on, move.
I'll give you.
Stand up.
I'll give you.
Lie down. Let's sit there. Don't worry. I shall go. I don't want to see you for here again.
Yes, sir. Nobody. Let's go. I'll go back to the village.
How far? Where's the money? Don't get down. Don't get the money. Yes, sir. Let's leave here. Come on, man.
Sorry. Good.
You don't come! You don't come! Abi, I'll tell her! I don't die.
Johnson! Why did you let them into this house?
I don't know.
I don't die.
You don't come what?
Mama, what is it? Mama, wait. Mama, please wait. Okay, fine. Just wait.
What am I waiting for? Were you not here last night when the armed robber said I should make sure I leave this morning?
Mama, wait. Look, let me keep this bag here. Mama, wait, please now. Please. Let me keep this bag here first. Please sit down. Please.
What are you telling me on the phone? That you were robbed?
Man,
Hi. Good afternoon, ma. Hello.
welcome. My security guy was stupid enough to let them in.
My goodness.
He took my phone and some cash I have in it.
Oh God. I hope everybody is safe. They didn't hurt anybody.
Not at all. They were not smart enough.
Thank goodness.
I think they are amateurs.
Jesus Christ! So it was you.
Huh?
I saw the tattoo on his leg.
Mom?
The scorpion sign. I saw you. I saw you.
I talked to your mother. She's embarrassing me now.
Your friend is a thief. I saw this scorpion last night.
Mom, anybody can have that.
Mama, I don't understand what you're doing. Mama, what is this now?
Stop now.
Where's my son's money? You stole my son's money. Where is his money? Where is my son's money?
I talked to your mother.
Mom, what are you doing?
Oh, yeah, seize his phone. Seize his phone. Where is my son's money? Call the police.
Mama, I don't
Babe, this is
understand
your phone.
Eh?
This is my husband's phone.
You got my phone, no?
Benjamin?
I can't explain. You know me, I'm your friend. I will not deliberately hurt you. She made me do it.
What? Benjamin, you have to listen to me. They will know you are the one. Just change your voice and throw more scares in the air and she will leave the house.
Babe, this thing is too risky. What if they call the police?
Are you this silly? Who is calling the police? All you need to do is get their phones in the first place, switch them off, and then do your thing.
What of that conductor guy from the park? What if he hurt somebody?
He's not going to hurt anyone. I've warned him. And besides, the guns you are going to use are all going. So what is this? Why are you being scared?
Oh, okay, fine. Let's assume this can work. But then what if he decides to keep all the money we take from Ikenna? I don't want to be associated with any of that. I don't want it.
It's okay if that is what you want. It's okay. Listen, get the phones, get them destroyed. Don't allow him to take any of them because he might want to take one. So use your head.
My God. Babe, I can't believe you're such a criminal.
Oh, please stop. I am not. I am trying to help a friend here. I mean, if you're in my shoes, you would do the same. What are you talking about?
Really?
Of course. Just get it done.
Thief!
She did.
Madam, don't free for anybody. What nonsense.
Benjamin, like, you know me, and she forced me, she talked me into it.
Call the police!
I was only trying to help you, girl. Please. Please forgive me.
Help me?
Honestly, please believe me. Ikenna. Ikenna, please. I was only trying to help my friend, please.
Are you helping us?
Not really.
Ikenna, just like that. Eh?
Marriage now for better, for worse. Don't be something wedding.
Chai!
My dear.
Wait, oh. So you mean say no Oga friend and that Nkechi where they find madam come and then do am?
See this one.
Na then do am?
Na them do am now. Person need to tell you. Let me even tell you, by the way, it's not only that one. No. You see that Oga phone that went missing? It's the one that thieved it. It's the one that thieved the phone. No, nothing anybody will tell me. Now him carry him. That's why he came here to return it.
Now wow.
They now.
I don't know so Oga Benjira better thief.
See this one, correct one. That's why the Igbo people talk, oh, ponke thief, na him be. You see all those property that he get, all those clothes, all those shoes, all those bags that him get. Na thief I'm take them.
Hey!
See this one, you know if you know if it is it, if you know if you know them.
You know say na this one how some people they call Babam Barao.
Peter one, big name.
Hey, make you agree me understand. You know say get the time when you come here finish, come out. I begin look for my money.
Serious?
20,000 naira of my money just lost.
You say what?
My 20,000 naira.
Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. Because they don't talk saying be thief now. You can't enter your house. This time you enter your room to take money. You come on 2,000 naira. You know if you see your family members, put all of them together. You cannot afford 20,000.
Eka. My how you dey talk to me?
Raise yourself. Talk is very cheap. Look at you. Look at yourself. Look at your big belly. Water, you don't drink water full belly. You say you get 20,000 naira. Who that you?
So it means I don't get 20,000. Eka. My how you dey talk to me for this compound though?
Wedding they rush. If you try, you no work, make you try again. No, it's just a game of two. Don't carry your own boot. They make the day their day. Mama. Why you won't come and sleep for my eyes? Every day you they bring a salad for me. Makawai. I talk you say I don't say.
Mom, I thought you said you won't eat my wife's frozen food.
I just want to know how your wife's food tastes. Not as if I like it. What is funny?
Oh my God, nothing.
Anyway, talking about your wife, you see that thing that she did. You really have to do something about it. Honestly, you have seen the kind of friends she keeps.
Mom, they already apologized. And besides, they said they will return everything they took.
I'm not only talking about her friends. I'm talking about your wife's unfaithfulness. It's so obvious she's sleeping around. Listen, you better start thinking of how to bring in a second wife. If you don't have anyone in mind, I can suggest.
Mom, I don't need any second wife. I don't. It's possible someone framed her up.
Why are you so stubborn? Have you tried her?
Fine. Just to clear your doubts, not like there is any other thing. Just to clear your doubts, I will try her.
Then try her. And you'll be so shocked at the outcome. Let me tell you. No matter how you try to cover her up, she's from the ghetto. So, the earlier you tell yourself the truth, the better for you. And as for those kids, what are they still doing here? Their teacher is no longer coming. Please let them go back to the ghetto and meet their ghetto mama.
Mom, I've heard you. But as for taking a second wife or my wife leaving, Nothing like that will happen. I'll talk to my wife so the kids will leave. Mommy. So you're enjoying the frozen food?
I'm not enjoying it. I'm done.
Mom, finish the food. Oh. Better finish it.
It's okay, I'm done.
Finish it, Mom.
Rachel,
Male,
wetin come carry you come my cabal? You for call me, tell me say you dey come. I for cook better stew with fried goat meat, eh? Make you know say you come your Male house.
Male, no be that one they do me.
Which one dey do you?
Another thing carry me come here. Male, person won't frame me.
Sure?
Somebody want to know, just dey buy me card, they give me gifts, they send me love letter come house. I don't know the person. Person they won't frame me, maybe like say I sleep with another man.
Now that winch. Now that winch they do this thing. She, when I come to fight for you, you go say make I carry they go. Now you don't see him now.
Male, forget that side, I beg. No blame me. Eh? No be say I don't appreciate something they come do for me. No blame me. That advice carry me come here for now, I beg.
Okay, I go give you that advice where you want. You know what you go do?
Let's see.
You go play along with this person. They collect the gifts, everything. Play along. Make things say your mind they there. Then you go jam the person face to face. Then you go call your mama. You go call your mama and go show am.
Male, it's just this thing go work.
You go walk. It don't work. Where this pikin go and send me go buy cigar for me?
Male.
Eh?
Cigar? You see they smoke cigar? Male, for this your health, they completely worry you.
If health matters, something must kill a man. Look, you where no they smoke cigar. See the health issue where you get.
Male, I tell you. Now make I chop money, make the girls they do runs. I did tell you. You need to stop this smoking. You don't be old though. You don't do that say still young woman.
Are we talking about the person where they frame you and be that cigar you come discuss?
Person they frame me, I beg. Male.
Just do what I tell you.
Okay.
Eh?
I go to him.
I want to tell you that Gabriel and June will have to go back to your mom's place. Since the teacher is no longer coming, there is no need of them staying here anymore. Babe, now I'm talking to you.
Ikena, when are we having our white wedding? You don't care. You don't bother. You're not even thinking about that. All you're worried about is your mother's wish.
Babe, listen. I'm working on it. Honestly.
Okay.
Right now, I have lots of things in my head. At the right time, we'll do our white wedding. Please.
Marriage now for better, for worse. Don't be something where then they rush. If you try, it no work, make you try again. No, it's just a game of two. Don't carry your own boot. They your day make the day their day. Mama. Why you won't come and sleep for my eyes? Every day you they bring kasala for me. Makawai, I talk you say I don't sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I don't sabi breathe. Makawai, you carry fight.
So why I want move go now? I don't want to go back to that place, so please.
Listen, you don't want to go back to me. Eh? What are you doing here? Eh? Even the teacher they spent money to teach you. What did you learn? I don't want to go. Can you go back to your gate or say so?
My darlings, listen. I know you don't want to go. But for now, you have to go back there. But I promise you, I'll come back for you. Eh? Things are just not okay now. And we need to put things together.
understand. I will come carry and come back. Yeah?
Makawai, I talk you say I'm not sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I'm not sabi breathe. Makawai, you carry fights, come my domoti oh. Makawai, I talk you say I'm not sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I'm not sabi breathe. Makawai, you carry fights, come my domoti oh. Makawai, I talk you say I'm not sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I'm not sabi breathe. Makawai, you carry fights, come my domoti oh.
Thanks for coming. What do I offer you?
I'm not here to drink. I came to ask you something.
Look, Ike, if it's about what happened the other day, I am really sorry. I'm so sorry, man. In fact, I regret ever listening to Nkechi in the first place. I do.
Bro, I'm not here for that. Alright? She once told me there is an app that can change someone's voice. What's the name of the app?
You mean the voice alteration app?
That's it. Voice alteration app.
Please wait. If it's just about the app, you should have just called me on the phone and I'll tell you.
I don't have your number anymore. Yes, I deleted it. And I'm glad I did.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Who's this, please?
Yes, it's me. No. You have to go for the rest, I understand. What's the name of your company, sir? Yes, sir. We have different categories of adverts. Yes, maybe I should just send you our website so you go there and see things for yourself. Because a company like Randolph Holdings cannot go for something lesser. Yes, sir. All right. Please do have a nice day, sir. Thank you. Woof! Woof! Randolph Holdings. Yes, that's a nice one.
Pressing. Auntie-pipimpi. What are you always pressing in this laptop? From morning till night. You're pressing this laptop. What are you pressing there?
Mama, I'm a stockbroker. I'm a business analyst. My advertising agency is here. So this is my office.
Including calling men on the phone. Yes, now also name. Yes. Let me ask you. You know Rachel in the Bible. You remember how Jacob suffered because of her. Jacob served Laban for 14 good years because of Rachel. And because of that, God punished her with barrenness. But now, Rachel in the Bible was very wise, a woman of wisdom. She gave her maid to Jacob and she bore him children. That is an act of a wise woman, a virtuous woman. But in your own case, give birth, mba. Allow my son to marry a second wife, mba. Agarabachilozo, you want my son to remain childless.
Mama, what is this? What is this trouble this morning? What is this? Am I God that gives children?
This was the exact question Jacob asked. And Rachel Ozubo summoned him with her maid and made the maid a second wife. Everything be settled. I'm not telling you to give a kaite to my son because she's not your class. And make you want to work out on me. Okay? Give my son a child. Package is here backyard. For nothing. Tell me the usefulness of what you carry. Emptiness. Emptiness everywhere. Give my child, my son, grandchild or grandchildren. Okay, no. The only thing you know how to do is to sit down here and press laptop. Eat a pancake. Makeup everywhere. Not here, not laptop. Conceive and give me children. Mba. I beg you, not telling people opportunity they would have utilized.
I'll call you later. All right.
Welcome, sir.
What is it, Johnson?
Nothing, sir.
I know anytime you salute me like this, something is amiss. What is it?
Oga, Mama no well. Mama no well.
My mother. I spoke to her a few minutes ago.
Me, I don't know. Now what did she tell me? She says she no well. Now what did she tell me? I tell you.
I could be wrong here. All right, let me go inside and check what's wash the car. I might need it later.
Yes, sir. Johnson, wash the car. Johnson, wash the car. I might need it later. Johnson, wash the car.
Yes, Penny, you know.
Too much.
Sorry.
Oh.
Yes, Penny, you know.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Oh.
Mama, they said you're sick.
Yeah, she's getting better now. All she needs is enough rest.
Ikem.
Mom.
Now welcome, oh. Please, I want the nurse to spend some time with us, Biko, so she can massage me time to time. This backache is very severe, and it needs a follow-up on them.
Sure. I wouldn't have any problem with that.
Oh, Mom, oh. One more thing. Ben, so. Hey.
Easy, Mom.
Oh, Mom. You know this steady driving. In the morning, from morning to night, you're always driving. I don't know if she can quickly give you a quick one. I mean, to stretch your spinal cord.
Mom, I don't need it.
Or you don't need it for now, call later.
I'll be in my room. If you need anything, call me, okay?
I know you definitely need it. You will need it. Nne, you're doing a good job, oh?
Thank you.
Your hand is very soft. Let me see. see, girl. And I go one before I go to.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm laying the foundation. My son, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey. Ikem, there is something I want to discuss with you. Very important.
What's that now?
Did you later do that thing?
What thing?
Testing Rachel.
Oh, that. I did. I used her line of work to get her, and she agreed to go on a dinner date with me.
She agreed. Yeah. I said it. I knew it. Again, I told you. A married woman that accepted to go on a dinner date with a stranger. How do you explain that? Eh? Again, a chameleon can never stop from changing colors. You married a street girl that went to the university. Look at the kind of family she came from. What do you expect?
Mom, don't arrive at conclusions yet. It's only a dinner date. Let's see if she will go.
She will go. Awesome, let's see if she will go. Or just go to Jara. Anyway, one more thing. As regards the nurse, I would suggest you give her a trial. Just once. Let her massage you again and one. Seeing is believing. Let her massage you. Probably when your wife must have left for her dinner date. Let her come and massage you. Thorough massage. You will feel good. Her hands are so soft and smooth. Honestly. In fact, once she massages you, you feel like a 5-year-old boy. Can't you see? I feel good, I feel stronger now. Courtesy of that girl. Una.
Mom, honestly speaking, I'm not comfortable with that girl staying in this house. And I know my wife won't like it either.
Her opinion does not count. Baby,
what are you doing here?
What is that slut doing here?
Slut? Babe, she's a nurse. She's taking care of my mom.
Nurse indeed. Does that girl look like a nurse to you? Listen, I want you to understand that I'm no longer a child. I'm not a baby. So everything that your mother is planning, I'm aware of it. I know.
Rachel, I don't know why you're being so difficult lately. Just some few days ago, someone sent you a card and a flower. I ignored everything. You should be working towards making things right and not accusing my mom.
Sir, can I make you Avantis curry?
And what's that?
It's a mixture of fresh banana, turmeric, little ginger, tiger nuts with few drops of honey. I'm sure you will love it.
Hey, monkey! If you don't leave this house this minute, I'm killing you! Are you mad? Are you crazy, babe? Shut up! Are you mad? See, listen! Don't let me hurt myself! Don't let me do that! Out of my way!
Did you not be a boy and can gray? I don't know more about TV. Then I want to say, oh, me. I remember those days when we feeling, we were shaking. When we sing, when we open our mouth to sing, people will ask, is that jam voice? I say, no, it's recording. Did you not? Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
Morning.
Ma, I want to quickly go and make breakfast. I just say, let me just rush and, clean this place first before I move.
Did I hear you say breakfast?
Jace, you gave me say breakfast.
I have warned you not to ever prepare anything in this house, especially for my son, as far as I'm here.
Ma, please, it's a beg I'm begging you. This is the only way I make my salary in the month and see food to job. If I don't make breakfast, they no go pay me salaries.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Now, leave here. You're done. And I don't want to see you in that kitchen. Pass! My love.
Mama.
You will. Let's go.
Mom. Good morning.
It's okay. Morning, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's okay. I understand. I understand. It's okay.
What are we having for breakfast?
We're having a milkshake, fried egg, and oatmeal.
Okay.
Nengwa, go and get it. It's okay.
Mama, what is she still doing here? She has completely taken me unawares.
That is exactly what I want. Anyway, how far? Did she take the bait last night?
Who?
Rachel, of course.
Oh, that. She didn't go out though. She was complaining of headache and dizziness. Mom, let's just forget about this plan, honestly. Nobody's perfect.
Listen, this one I brought for you is perfect. Don't you see the way she serves you? And she knows the meal that suits your system. Trust me, if for this one, if I once, she'll get pregnant. Trust me. No, trust me. You know I'm your mother, I will not deceive you. I know what is good for you. Just once. Don't worry, everything is in order.
No, I think so.
Okaresi! Shame not supposed to regard you. Is it because of me? Eka. Just because of me, that's why you can't man go hide that thing you are receiving yourself. And I'm in for you are doing yourself. This thing that since I know you, you have been drinking this thing for a very long time. You have not changed this bottle. I'm not interested. Let me just tell you with my lips. I am not interested. I came here to give you a very nice yeast. There is fire on the mountain. I said nobody should not be on the run. Look at you, very soon fire go catch this house. It goes down here.
Now you go burn him. Fire go catch this house. Fire catch this house. You go burn him.
It can never be me. Of course, I can never be the one to burn person house. But what? I'm not evil. But the person that will burn the house, DJ, because Okamora is the one that will burn the house. Yeah. If you see what that woman do, the kind of girl that woman bring, you say the girl is a nurse. Yeah, if you see the girl nyash and your belly is equivalent. Like there's no difference. If they carry this your belly for the girl nyash, she could stand like Kripa. Very mighty. Nine Okamora bring come here. She now asked me to walk out like a cockroach. I should get out of there. Very annoying.
What did Madam come to do?
Madam? What? That one? They don't use some. Okamora don't show that girl shake a bansa. She don't wig like bread but then put inside water. She cannot even react. She just did like this midday. He was very day. Very annoying.
Chai. You know, say if Madam no say this thing go there like this, she for no agree make a mama go.
Which mama?
I'm mama now, area mama. If say area mama they here, this nonsense gonna happen.
You say waiting. I be clean your mouth for that kind of tongue. That you expect that woman to hear we con. You don't know that if that woman there by now everybody for don't die.
If people go down, then go down. What you say? I don't hear gate. If I hear baba, I go open gate, come out.
Me too. Me I'm a very smart sharp tail. If I hear boom, I don't take off like this before you know I don't pass. You see that day now? You don't know me.
If I don't open gate, how you go take pass?
See you. You see this the way I go to put you. If you need a shock person, just do like flip. You never know me, save you. You just the underrate me.
You be Jackie Chan.
You know me.
Go ahead and try it. You like it. Trust me. So tell me, do you like it?
Where did you get it from?
Mama, so it's true. Mama, so this is true. This is true. What did I ever do to you, Mama? Why are you so wicked to me? Why? Mama, if I was your daughter and some other woman is treating me this way, how will you feel? Mama, how will you feel? You can never be my daughter. Never! You're very selfish and wicked. Eh? So you expect me to allow my son to live with his fellow man? Mama, eh? Mama, sorry, Mama. Of course you're a man. You're a man.
Mama, what's the problem? What's going on?
My love. Are you crazy? Baby, why is he standing there mopping? Come and attend to her. Babe, baby, she's acting. Oh my God. Baby, she's acting. Come and attend to her.
I'm sorry, I'm not a nurse.
What do you mean you're not a nurse?
I'm sorry. Mama have been the one telling me what to do.
Get out of my house now! Baby. It's okay, calm down. What's wrong with you? Baby, she's... Oh my God. Baby. Are you sure she's not acting? Baby! Baby! Hello? Douglas, where are you? Good, you are around the neighborhood? Please come to my house, please. Oh my God. Baby, baby. Get out of my house! Babe. Oh my God. Okay, babe. Is she still breathing? Mama, stop standing there. Give me water! Water! What? Get water! Babe. Oh my God. Hey, baby. Baby. Water! Baby. Mama, please give me water! I'm getting water right away. Babe, I love you. Baby, please, I love you. I love you. I love you, please. Don't do this to me, please. Babe. Oh my God. What am I going to do? Hey. Hello? Can you hear me? Start coming. Now, or same when? Yes, immediately. Come with your bag. Or block one week or two. Just, this is an opportunity. Just make sure you are coming with the things you need. Alright? Hurry. I think something has happened to Rachel. But when you come, we'll discuss about that. Oh, it's good news. Okay, I'm expecting you. Alright, bye. Hey! Water! What?
Are you feeling nauseous?
Yes.
When was the last time you saw your period?
I can't remember.
Ike, look,
These are early signs of pregnancy. Yeah, but I don't want to give you 100% assurance.
Okay.
But you have to come to the clinic. Let's conduct a proper test.
Doc, say no more. I'll drive alongside with you right now.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, babe.
Yes.
Just let's go, okay? Hold me. Take it easy, okay? Take it easy.
How did he go?
Mom? My beautiful sunshine here is 7 weeks pregnant.
It's again?
Yeah. Mom, guess what?
It's again?
Guess what, Mom? We are expecting twins.
Ejima.
Yes, Mom.
Mama. Mama. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. No. Nah.
Mom?
Okay, Mom.
I did it, Mom.
My love. Say, Mom. It's a goal, Lunka. Mom, I take this goal. Mom, the sharpshooter.
I did it.
My daughter-in-law. Hey!
Your Royal Majesty.
Easy, easy.
Easy. Baby.
Mama. Support her with the pillow.
Ma, what's happening here?
Hey, don't cross your leg. You should get Mama. Free your leg.
Ma, sir, please.
Hey.
Can I share your joy? Ma, Za.
Hey.
Somebody talk to me a bit.
Namo. Oh, what are you? I can't do that.
Mama, oh, tongue now. My heart, the big, very fast.
Anyway, my beautiful, gorgeous daughter-in-law. Obago!
Obako? Meaning what? What has Bako? What's the meaning of that one?
Let me tell you what Obago means.
Yes. Mama, talk to me now.
My beauty queen is pregnant.
Jesus! It's not I said it! One day was in a man call a fire. You know, go come out. Hey, Biko. See, when person carry belly from my place, they sing this song.
Pause. Don't rejoice more than me. Namo! Otenwa!
Mama.
Ejinwa!
Mama.
Sharpshooter!
Mama.
Ewanya!
Mama.
Mpo! Ijaga! Idom! Haya! Namo! Mama! Please! No! Pom! Ndio! To the enemies!
Hi everyone. Did I interrupt anything?
Who are you?
You have not explained to him.
Explain what? Can someone talk to me? What's going on? Who are you?
She invited me. Mama, why are you silent? Say something.
Mama, they say you should say something now.
Did you invite her to this house? young lady, who invited you and who are you?
She contacted me for this, and we had an agreement.
Which agreement in Akwala? Which agreement? Which agreement? You could leave this house because you know obvious for our joy. Devil is a liar.
A very big one.
Devil is a bastard.
A trickster.
Carry your bag and get out of here, because my daughter-in-law is pregnant. And for your information, Ejima can actually drop line or same agreement. Okay, same agreement.
Everywhere.
Holy Ghost fire!
Then why do you ask me to start coming?
How do you expect me to know? Probably my phone called your line in error. You know this network issue. Probably the thing must have jammed. Is this one no biama? Eh? Because no one can see. Until leave this place. Don't be a joy killer. Eh?
Where you go? Wait. Stand there. Oga.
Johnson?
Na she be the one way bring that envelope.
Che, okay, that woman you gave me that day. Forget.
Yes.
Oh, now she be that.
Hold on. Johnson.
Ma?
Are you trying to tell me that she was the one who brought the card?
Madam, na she had the talk. Na she that day, I remember am. She wear one petticoat with a helmet. She carry bike come. Na she.
Jesus Christ. Devil is a liar.
Demonic people. Agent of darkness. Walking up and down looking for who to divorce.
Get out of my son's house. My daughter-in-law is in a good mood.
Wait before you see your bag.
Hey.
Mama.
Is this how?
Now go lock gate.
I think let them not come.
Let's lock gate. Your leg.
Let me bring pillow now. Good day.
Sit down on the floor.
No, Mama, you will do it. Your hands are
Okay, Miss right? Take my, sit down.
Mama, you sit on the floor.
Let me hold the leg. Let her sit down.
No,
Okay.
she can carry it.
Oh,
Mama, sit down. Sit down.
My love. Anything for you, Mama. Sit down. Nah, you don't want to put
Sit down. I'll do it. I'll take. Oh,
sorry, what your mom was. Oh, where you are,
oh, she's
oh, the man could have
fine picture.
Mama,
oh, where you are?
Stop singing, Mama, in my ear.
Sorry, Mama.
It's not good for my health, you know.
I know. Because
nah. The leg, Mama.
For now, for nothing.
Mama, you say you should massage the leg.
Sorry,
Mom. I'll send some money to you.
Sir?
Yeah.
You can send money?
Not for you.
On the message.
Go and prepare something.
Oh, no, fuck sugar.
Okay?
Original for better, for worse. No be something within the rush.
Oh, we need
a try, no work, make you try again. No, it's just a game of two. No carry your own boot. They make the day their day. Mama. Why you won't come and sleep for my eyes? Every day you they bring kasala for me. Makawai, I talk you say I don't sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I don't sabi preach. Makawai, you carry fights, go my domoti oh. Makawai, I talk you say I don't sabi talk. Makawai, I preach you say I don't sabi preach. Makawai, you carry fights, go my domoti oh. Nobody perfect, nobody knows it or nobody holy pass. Nobody saw the pass. Nobody.